Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Good morning, Accra. Good morning, Ghana. I will say a Saturday say, and then the Fufra. Yawada. What you for most of that was when you know me, what Fimpim you know, and yet you do that. And the breakfast show is on from now to 9 a.m. I was your Micheal Okogyeabour, you're from a hitman. It's nobody, I'm a Roman father. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Jumadi in here. And I don't pay. I go push you, 1 year can see. So I do Casa Fidiana to Dia, 106.9. I am a tech. I know personal radio stations in the Dosso. But thank you so much for always choosing 106.9. Somebody I actually send it the so Obia. Yes, I cheer the Muya. Yeah, you try to swallow. When it does was that you be over fair. I did that so home. Maybe I send it the swassa. And then I pay me show crowd. Send it the so home. And to come home. I'm assuming Kawan and pay as we serve you breakfast on radio. Good morning from Hitman once again. We need Tim in the Wofia, Kofi Taylor, DJ Mario, Okogyeabour, I feel Bofra. Sibling in our Wofia, and Tanapa Yatnase. And our duty is to serve you the best of breakfast on radio. Good morning once again. For our WhatsApp message in the Fabra 059340 6565 059340 6565. And I pay and then Yakupa said, Essence were yet and I do your hoda. And then some of you beckoning in our website and so www.dlfmonline.com www.dlfmonline.com and sending in a go and to also log your now so head your course. Now when them saka 313 days now after 2024 that they are quite 10 months 9 days and to be more crabba and the Anidaso Wɔhɔ so. Good morning. So I'm going to check your time. I guess about 41 minutes after 6 a.m. Pay and then Yanko pass it. WhatsApp message from Brown. WhatsApp line here 059340 6565. No, I am my female. And then you go pass it. I'm not so semi be a for the truth. I'm a woman so do a sedaban. No, my wolf friend is 059340 6565 059340 6565. And I pay one friend after what was said that Ediaba. Who could turn on him the Yankupa Yamawa? And I pay Yenda Yankupa say. Now, my wolf friend is 059340 6565. 0534 050 199. And I pay yen Yankupa say. We Nanadoye Ohoda.
I pussy young for a printing and menton and in the river and shop on your group of boss on your sassy and Munam. Are you ready?
It's DLFM 106.9. It's DLFM 106.9.
Good morning, Hitsman from the Marinaco all the way from Ashama. And then Yankupase. Ashama new quarters, yeah. And then Yankupase on the pay. Good morning, Hitsman. Yeah, from the coffee school all the way from Agoba. And then Yankupase. I thank God for the new day in my life. Piano, and if it's my new time. One jacket lines in the Mamiano pay.
Somebody lift up your voices.
I said good morning, if you could do all the way from my Charlotte. I said Hitsman and I'll pay you then Yankupa said. And now my wolf friend, I have 0593 40 6565 0593 40 6565 0534 050 199. Yeah, for course in the number 5. And different. I want him the Yankupa Yamawa. When I said that, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Papa Joe, we didn't baby. I can say free. I don't pay. And I don't pay you. Then you go pass it. Amen.
The radio say, so when we are more born, wash your hands soon. One man the party. Divine selection is be a kind, and now the prayer so not a cremada about you know what you full sandia. They are Sudan Kutu, and any penny in the star. It's what my dumia saying, and I say a person DL for some sir. They are Sudan near the Miradi, and Sri Lanka DL for so I'm ban would church then upon sending a fasten there radiation. Where would you say it? I saw the radiation put. What's the DL one there? We will say, oh, sorry if you can tell her. I say, with the radiator. I don't pay with the radiator. I don't need it. Amen.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
0593 40 6565 0534 050 199. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me bacho wudi ni baby akase friend no pay.
DJ Hitman.
Yes sir.
Acho dada wuli. Suba ashama.
Yo, ana pay na nyankopɔ ase.
De nyamia se kese pa ma me ni mabusua. Ni adofo nyina, Sunday school fo nyina, DL College Association nyina. Ade power ma achi. DJ Hitman.
Dada. Amen. Amen. Let's thank God for a blessed day. From me, Jeff Nyako. I tell the camera so. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Hitman.
Me pacho wudi ni baby akase friend no pay.
But your friend is me friend Costa Spinters.
Yo, me pacho no pay na nyankopɔ ase.
I no pay nyamia se. Se wabu yi na afoban wa ma de chipati ye. Ibi atu wa anso a wodi ye pese nyame sempa e de beye. We be chawo ne Roma father nyina wodi Roma father de pepepe o. Mr. Hitman, wodi na de pepepe.
Na bi na konwa na wodi ama me wapone ho kakra na ama me. Wapone ne bre no ho kakra na de ama me.
Ya dasi nyame se wa no pe woni papa daddy nyina nyamisia manope yedamati
but let's me that's a pass what to me friend. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho wudi ni baby akase friend no pay.
Me pacho ya friend me ablamen me kasa fijayo.
Ana no pay na nyankopɔ ase.
Ano pay me da nyamia se ma me ne mabusia. Me ni fiefo nyina di edwumayefo. Me da nyamia se de bia muteme ekaye me da nyamia se. Ano pay me de nyamia se. Me GNTD ye ko me nyina. Obi bia wate me ne bia me de nyamia se e wona bravo.
Amen. Me that's a pa. Good morning. Me pacho me jo so me pacho ho ni.
Asante zongo ni.
Yo, ana pay na nyankopɔ ase.
Ai. Isa osuna sasiura. Waye bia mayen. Waye bia mayen papa. Ye nyina ya re eboni afo. Ya na na sia. Na nsem fata. Bibia me kan se. Asafie huwe. Ghana bofo pa. Ayen ka udi o, ayen ka udi. Asadi zogo me ne me ma me nananom. Ye se ye da wase. Papa, da go bon ka muso mo ho. Ba be Roma fada obia me da na se se ne. Nyambo pa amaye pa bia tie ni ye te muso mo nka. Why?
Amen. 0593406565. I don't pay your nyankopɔ ase. And as if you know when I say good morning, Hitman. I thank God for a new day. And as if you know when and then you pass it. Never find out call on your face. I'm saying here. As an pay 4 lines in the titty, a crab. Bastille, yes. Now we're streaming live on Facebook. Somebody in the demo live on Facebook. DLFM page in this one. DLFM 106.9. And the country will be no some country will be. Anidaso Obia. About 4 of ya. Okogyeabour. Ana pay a beboja. Oh yes. Micheal Okogyeabour as a Hitsman. Good morning. Watching you live all the way from Agboba. Chris Benton from Natifa. Here live all the way from Hawaii, USA. Don't you remember?
When I remember where you beat me from, I remember the kind of
Up in major stories making headlines in the national dailies. I'll pay the name now, bro. Now, Daily Graphic, Yanko Sam so. Oh, my man, you confirm now for Yanko serious business. So now, Daily Graphic and I'm paying or say avoid hate speech. Peace Council tells political parties. Okogyeabour, good morning.
Hitsman.
That's a shame.
I etrente ya yentimi nya yenchenso ano. Onim sensa kasabebuo we wonkyeremu o. Etrente ya yenya cheso ano. Akan kasa trodo mu ne yefe bibi se kasa nanemu. Anase ebe nanemu. Aw se etrente ya wontimi nkasa wonhye eche biom because ya anya che ama kotodwe. Ya anya che ama ensa ya ye che ma etire. Enti etire no ente ya eche no wontimi nya hye. Ana se me no kɔ baabi na se niema na esome no yesi me no miere ne yemfa nkɔ a se me so akoduru baabi a wonso yedai wonso begya yedai aso abi enti etire no ente ye no yenkyɛn so anso yentimi nyai enti ebeba ko no kyerɛ niema mienu ase Hitsman
Okogyeabour na pay here some my course for the national dailies. Yefa Daily Graphic and no pay. First page of the Daily Graphic.
Me da say Hitsman ebusia me nsa mo achimale na ade achi na ade asa achim biom yaba no so ne aba yakwa se eyi no kaden krantie yemfa mo konya hwensu e beka mu asa no me hyase me di okuni da obon krata Daily Graphic anabodi ne wasi truth and accuracy every day. Na wo hwani mo hanomo a emperimfo da ni mo ha pa Reverend Dr. Edujamfi edaha wono na ye chairman Emma Peace Council sadan so ana Sheikh Areme ya Shaibu wono so na ye kasa mafo Emma National Chief Imam wono so ni mfoni edaha ana ye ma me baako ne kaba na ehye no na efe
kaba na efe
pa na wo hwe Hitsman say wonim ntoma din ye wa betie kube ye wa mampese ye wo dawam ye wo meba wa brochire ani ye wo efunadaka ye wo ABCD
ntoma ne din doso.
That's right.
But we also stand no apam no ana so bubu plate so kakra
said we see aye ne nsa no ye fa no pata o ira nyem da
Okogyeabour
enti Hitsman any mahano no ana Daily Graphic dey na watch them.
I from na stories ni nyina live on our Facebook page no so.
Enti ye no mo nyina na e kan abo.
Ye no mo na e kan abo ma no pay.
Say dwumedi na kwa se wo. Ye mienu ye nyita ye ni ase be fe ye.
Enti also obidibie.
That's obi so ni bi. Enti wo hwe Daily Graphic abana headline was say ahead of 2024 elections avoid hate speech. Peace Council tells political parties. Peace Council or my Ghana yasum dwebuano and omode to amanyoko ni nyina anim se kasa twetwe ni ensam eden tokwa beba de ye ntwamu sado wobra ye kwakoto abai enum nsam e wa ha ana wo hwe kratafa toso edu ensia no a was government committed to resolve Ahmed Swale's murder. Attorney General Yera Godfrey Ebu Adame wo me wo faase eno a wokogina mu ewa mrahye badwafie na wode ato da kyerem se ensem tronia 2019 yebu oni tuosa aprani asorobo asebi eku no ewa Madina no aban no wa taso awenkyene anumusu aguso se wo mu edi bone no emra no betimi edi wo mu a emu nsem ewa ha na wo basia ha no mu akrata fato so du nsia ho no mu Daily Graphic and we say more people with higher education unemployed Ghana Statistical Service and den some beto montre so asoya wo mu ne bu nkonta de magana ban ana wo mo kire se wo mai mu ayetie wo mu akọ school ni nyina bi a qualifications akese kita wo mo no wo mo na eni adwuma wo mo eyo we no eye Daily Graphic me komanim na makwakodu Daily Guide na bodine was Ghana's favorite newspaper abranti a yesuso se wono ana wokum JB Dankwa Edu sexy dondon
ono da so no
ano da hai na ebusia wo hwe nanim din abeka se wa American bad
o se
wo hwe JB ayi sexy dondon wo hwe nanim ni din na se wo fe wani a
aswa me dey
American bad o se can bad e kansu onwuna na ehuru enti we as wa mene kan ba dia ehuru waniam said we sia profo na fono no as obi a obubu ntasuo ton ehu enti abusia daily guide anim ana sexy dondon wada hai na wapani a woye hwehwemu e wasem no no investigator no wasi supain tiansu ye besi supain wasi sexy dondon killed JB Dankwa Edu investigator na akasa yi de woye hwehwemu na say sexy dondon wono ne kum JB Dankwa Edu enu nti se me Okogyeabour me kokan de baby a I am not preempting the judgment Anna I am not contempting the court on say the word contempt no en sheda nya brofo it is as wa contempt wa court no house medru ho enti eye contempt enti say no aye kodi fufo ya udi ka ja mi eye me na me de wo ko me bedu ya na wo te ho
asoma san ho
te say jam kwaya na wudi manim
jam kwa na wusa
me ho enti uye ni mo ha no so a
daily guide
ni mo a we say political parties appoint leadership speaker of parliament here Urban Kingsford so manababen ni foni edaha ana wo kirem say emrahye badwafo no uduru mrahye badwafi a edom kese ndom kuma no awomama nyoko na appoint leadership no every say ukaya on say NDC ekoyi yewra how na do so free ho e de case ato forcing e ba e ma ne koye buya wo krom ha ana enra nso ebi asasie na me wa faase bi was wo fe misiye wasie bi asie obi asasi anam se ade se ne wadwo nso e won paso
de oye na
wasa bi enti enra abeto da se yewra wo se che mensa bonsu so mpahene so ame MP wa resign se wonye majority leader ne biem na efri pressure pa ye de egu papa esu se wonsi fom ema afenyo ma kensemra no enye pressure ketwa eye de eto akokohwede enso a wowura akosebom ne mu bia metwa so akomani mu a wo se Konfanochi Teaching Hospital loses 200 nurses in a year. A nurse fo amuti krom ha mo pa kwantuo dodo na de mu ye hwe ya ne ye prayen enti anase fo ri na etu kwan enu tikrata gba amane se afi ba kontam Konfanochi anase fo makomako ahanu wo ma lusu wo mo yesi wo 200 yes and yes wo ma wo ma jadwuma no to kwan adwaye adwanyin abrochi ho no ma wo se otopane na akrata isa gba amane wani mo ha wase ha no se Kumasi International Airport ready Apple empenifo se nkankire Ghana fo se ewiemhwe agina bia na ewo Kumase no nyame ya adom a wo forisuo bosome no ana beye krado ma menko the new publisher da obon krata no enimo ha de anyasam kotoa emrahye badwani a wote abanya so ewo afutu honorable Alexander Kwame na Afenyo Markins nimfo ni da ha na ohwe ne siwtu no a Pentecost for de bia batem se ne doso
na tie ni tem ketwa bi
ana tie ni tem ketwa bi tie no so sea blue ana yewra wo se mensa bonsu the immediate past majority leader wono so ni foni edaha na krata na si mensa bonsu majority leader resigns Afenyo Markins in higher apparent na kire se de yewura o se mensa bonsu wa resign every dibremu ese edom kese ne bado then you ba Facebook no so eda so DL 106.9 obi amekan bi na me kwaso chronicle na nso mo ntam padwuma wo me de ba ko pe ne ba ye wo mo padwuma ma me nko the chronicle na ayi hitman no se the bon krata ne nyina no the chronicle nko anom kita two slogans Wamun slogan de din kan ye brofo was it the spear of the nation and the to so mieru no and oje se wamun na bekire mu say Switzerland de kasa o say ye Dutch was it nkom to wiswe
Latin kasa
Latin okay so no nyame do wuti me call University of Bantima
the chronicle and then the man pay
the chronicle the about no say parliament is committing gender atrocities Katie Hammond was one for one on the way a daddy any for the human so one on the MP ewo eye adansia sokwa kwabrata hero Hammond no kasa Ghana for mebru ti se kuben samanfo didi mo no nimfo di da no wo kire se e ba gender ene ho nsensam a ekwan amrahye bedwafo no eden sam na fa so no ewe wiaso kakra emu sam ewa ha na wo ni mo ha no mo so a John Ampontia Kuma, one year MP ewa dweso.
Okay.
Nimfoni edaha. And was it John Kuma whose private sectors as government embark on agenda to create wealth for Ghanaians.
Yes.
John Kuma finance minister and I said deputy finance minister. Krata ibo mania say say no wono any foreign investors and I said private investors edi nkomo. Say na be omro musika ba be share aban nwumam na etimia create enwuma amagana fo so etimia ye bie. Ma memra asia ha na me medi nkomo e the Daily Dispatch. And was see interference by some politicians and chiefs encourage galamsey in forest reserve officials. And penifo dim komo chirem say when my Ghanaian kwaye bretu ni nyina ne yetu atoagu.
Okay.
Na wo motenetene wo monsa se bimpade se watwe si na se nwansane si a yehu de owe abere wankuruma.
Okay.
Enu nti eyan hemfo wo kurom ha. Any politicians no ana wo mo ye maburu bi kutupa yodium hit ma wo sie so ano se mihia na se metimi aboa mesimetu opa unsu tu opa cafe se mehwie unsu enwa akwa bi efani kofi drusu me makwasa me unsu e wampunse mu de ba ne enya mu no wa kangu
so betumi
che so betimi aboa
ana se otumi phone tumi wa
wo kawa
efo abeti
mo unyo wo ni pa bofo wo
to Daily Dispatch as you so den Okogyeabour
me to asoko wo bakrata fra to so edumienu a Daily Dispatch was a president direct new finance minister to complete major projects in Kumasi. Was one for say wo my Ghanaian photo sanfo honorable Mohammed Amin Adams.
Okay.
Mampani Akufo-Addo echiremu a dwumadi ahodo a wo die wo Kumasi nyina no wonwie na adenti na Kumasi nko a sa ho na ye party ni funuma enti wonwie na wo ntomo na mampani Akufo-Addo apam no a we ye fra no achichide achi tortoise back achichide achi
ana shana na ado no e green wonim wo wona ye fra no wo hom no kuma bofo ono we green na bra me basia ha krata fato so edu ebako ana menhia south mra hye bedwani won na ye minister for energy eye napo might opoku prempe ana was energy minister leads delegation to Trinidad and Tobago. Wonim say wo mo nana ye fra wo mo ansa na ewiase ni bedane no Bible eka aman mienu eye Medo and Persia eye Trinidad and Tobago. What you say? Say kwotwe masa to nsuo mu ane hofo ne ho sensan ne wo hoda ana aboa kwato se wa nto nsuo hie mu a anka onum sensuo mu gwa hodo
anka onum se bo broni tesa wo de ade a wo be ya de membepam so ase gusukra enti Medo and Persia na Bible board no wo mo current name Trinidad and Tobago.
Okay.
Say me wa sorry o na nansen no
Okogyeabour international minister.
That's right. Na krata bako Yera Abdul Malik Kwaku bako ni da obon krata the new crusading guide. And whatever I say, government empowering youth to create jobs and wealth. John Kuma Nakasai.
Okay.
John Kuma ye address MP. Was he abari ye do betimi bia sa wo be hye maburu ne den. Ama wo mo so atimi anya bibidu o mo na esi so na brabo no so atimi akọ enkane. Na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia era defining mode breaking and convention defying the new crusading Kwaku bako pebrofo akese ajeje sem say enti bra things are yem fancy yem fancy nti we no any the major headlines anopai
na ba ko bi wo the new crusading guide as here as page 3 and 10 no
was say NPP running mate. We are for John Kuma grassroots
for the candidacy.
We yada. Oh, some pennies say, "Oh, my mini our Jum Krumwa would dim pemuda." So who some mabru ni say ya no pebibiadi. Hana boss argument. Oh, pebibiadi you. Oh, pebibiadi you. Oh, that the mabru pebibiadi you. If it's a John Kuma dear no so we na butre.
But grassroots for no and the candidacy.
Grassroots no wo de coach mu a ase a say ensensan hini a omo MPP amanyoko no grass ani ni root ensensan hini na wo mo amanyoko no no
na e kana sa
wo mo kire say John Kuma ɛbɛyɛ running mate ɛbɛfa ebi nso kyerɛ sɛ apostle wɔ nyina nso bɛfa ebi nso kyerɛ sɛ napo bɛfa
na apostle wɔ nyina deɛ do sɛ MPP na ɛka ne saa na MPP mu no sɛ ɔmo kɔfa apostle wɔ nyina na kyerɛ sɛ the Church of Pentecost likely sɛ members ne bɛtra ma wɔn paa na obi nso ka sɛ adɛnti na NDC nso ɛnkɔfa presby sɔfo bi na ɔno nso mbɛnyɛ running mate
ɛna ɔmo nkɔfa ɔbɔfoɔ I'm going for both anana grada.
12 minutes after 7, DL Anidaso Obia. Minute after 7 and that's all who be an pay Jumadi no Guswa Ecoswa. Or may you say yo, senior you, one for Brano and a betray. For good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Micheal Okogyeabour.
Micheal Okogyeabour now so.
And some more Kosu Kruma.
Men Canada.
And some more Kosu Kruma. Now and I pay assembly and maybe Becano. Message you for so 1 year pa. Who's the end after morning show? Yes, you krum. Na, what dear, you didn't come on neighbor. You didn't come out one no. Papa. Obofo, and I pay me some watch you.
Major Super Hitman.
Na unam krum no den ekoso.
Hitman, Mendicant in chair TF4 and a peso almost almost year and car. Yen to me, and ye, man, money ye. Into almost can one person. Now, Okogyeabour I can some be na baby Okran a hamika crapaye. Ye necessary omutu crying. I didn't tell me can say, and draw a crum, the sea and a my ho. And I'm so I am. Oka nurses na sama ma me de ebewure musano obeje say endra moto bi in accident
okay
nti de ye ne say o se metumi di akiri na me kohwe de because me na me kopie so na ye de no ko hospital me person me hospital ni din na
hospital is asemi
obeje say ye kraya nurses ne te ho a beka say ye mfa nipa bia mbaaye obi chate obi mpo nkeka no ho enka say like or solumpo akoye bibi ana mo mfa se kwaye folder na the wo ono wo kasa no kwa attitude no show to say obi ni wo kasa na say o show attitude wo mu say nipa ade de oye no eye ana say enye the way omusi toto mo nsa na omu show attitude krampo na omre kire yen no na je say ya sefem sabio eye motor accident ni nipa na oye nipa Enti se we bedu mpo na se nka onye foda mpo a wo de ye de nipa na ye de ne baaye ye ndwane nko bebia enti wo se mutumi ye de mutubu sorry say bia mo keka mo ho na se bia before ye bekwa foda na aba mpo se bibi kura na mo be ye ya mo ya dada mo tete wo sa na itman na se o man na ye timu no adwuma na wo ye de we kwagina wo se wo ji nkrofo nkwa no wo kuni mpa na enti me pa chaw enti na odi anes funa asem be mo mutu kwan sisi ai nipa na nkasa wo na nkasa kwa na adwuma na omo ye no kwa no sabi mpate se mbiru mu atosi kura na sisi anu nipa no so nyina so ekọ ana ebeka san enti hate nyamie no kwani ndura mewura wo papa ma me gina saa ade we yi ba ko ama apro me ko nyina no ni nyina bọ me ma mentumi anchi sana peventi we na ade ndura menya okrumpa hate
okay
easy
Okogyeabour majibiem
Hitman, Mr. so.
Now, what the nurses won't say? I am Pempi no Obeko Hospital. As a nurse, be a honoma, a Juma warrior will name the duties as a nurse. Obeko Hospital. Would you be a hospital honum? So a quack payarisa. As a nurse in a fan ho. Send the panel, Obeyan Kwan was so be woo, nurse in a fan ho. Now, when him Okogyeabour Assembly Koso. And I mean, no mobi.
Okay.
I call NAB International Hospital. I was Swabia, a Wagana Hanum. I accuse our hospital. Say negligence in tea. One this year, a free mo. I said, my Kenya boss, Muka.
That be.
And then you say, Yanni Ababetra Hanoma, Sabi, yes, say will be a drama. And your family be a one this year, a free mo. Negligence in tea. Ya hwe the one this year ni ye nti no one this year no ahwere ne nkwa Okogyeabour and na me no ne koye bo mama ne no ne ko but sa bo mama ne
abra ye che ye mu no oh okay
it's after show no na me ne Okogyeabour si kurom no
okay
dwumadi ya kokodi ye no
Hitman. Empedesi akokọ be de woni mpa asa de ache na so tie free woni ano
ana obi nso nto na akokọ be de kwa
that's right na wiase ne se biase se wo fa dabu kosia na so anya ohia na kosia na sai
ai
wontimi entena se nkasa mede hye ni wu a wawuo no enye papa elipa bi na esuba so ne kun no nti no na o mama ntena se de wawu anya hwe dabi age se nipa na wo ne hu hia wo Hitman enra ampa ye bo Ghana fo amane a enkomo na fe na nkasa na busuafo na nkasa ebedi ho nkomo ofia ha
okay
enti yes Ghana fo se
omuji
obi enti uni into DL 106.9 in the next 15-20 minutes and somewhere be wura fia ha no enye ne ye ka Hitman bansa na 9 ana busua bi eto nsa frame na wobebo din bet me am mpesa mebo abusia na to sa frame no do mo de to manimu a ne say MAP International Hospital MAB M for man A for bena and B for biscuit nti wa ka bom na se de medican enti MAP International Hospital abusia na bebo mama ne say medical negligence and now what they term or what they see as medical negligence has allegedly led to the death of their daughter.
Okay.
Me choosing me words carefully. Enti can come off one me choosing me words carefully. They are accusing the hospital over alleged medical negligence. Leading to the death of their daughter.
Dorothy Nana Abba Mason.
Dorothy Nana Abba Mason. Brother, person me brofo ne ye. Mo na mo mark me brofo no mo. Wo the champion tailor.
Me too ada pay.
Enti Hitman, me busa said dey na asie. Ana o mo kirem say, enra na ewuku ada wo ho. And na ya wada. Enra ene na awotwe, which is last week Wednesday. Wo mo de wo mo ba ye fe no Dorothy Nana Abba Mason. Eko ayasabia ho ewo MAP International Hospital
La Paz Nyameche
edanu ya painting no edanu ya to hotels blue and white Yɛmfa video no nto so.
Yɛmfa video no nto so. And assignment yɛkɔyɛ no. Kofi fa video no nto so na afei wɔn a wɔtie DLFM ɛna no pɛ Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia no. Nyɛ sɛ bosire mu ka.
Dabi.
And assignment a
yɛyɛ ɛno no.
Nti no Kofi fa video no to so. Okogyeabour ma minti wo. Wo kasa gyina na video no da so.
Okay. Enti mibusa wɔn sɛ deɛ na asie. Ne nipa na ɔbɔ me amaneɛ no. Sɛ bi ɔwɔdin. Wɔnyɛ obi akɛkɛ. Wɔyɛ nkrɔfo ase yɛdɔm kɔ ahi, yɛdɔm kɔ court a. Yɛfrɛ bibi self recognizance bail.
Okay.
Ɔman no nim wo nti wo yɛnim sɛ wonwane nti wankasa bail wo ho. Saa nipa me bɔ ne deɛ no. Wɔn na yɛ twafo hene. Ewo late kubase nananom atena nkonya.
Okay.
Osabarema Kwame Asa
Tewia.
Wono na ebo me amane, wono na woye the accuser, wono na ebo amane. Wo say wo me do mo ba ne call Map International Hospital. Wo La Paz Nyameche, enu ane na awotwe no. Doctor medically, wono no woye right to say o pronounce obi dead. Doctor pen ne betima ka say nipa we awu na we omui. Wo mo kire so wo mo de hye no na ne pressure wo soro. Nti situation no ade di kodru say ye na kodru hospital ho no. Yemfa oxygen si ne so. So ye de oxygen isi abaiwa ne so.
Video no na da Facebook page no so no. Ye best share for so one bra no man behwe video no. Enye se bosrim ka. Nti we ye ebra ye ko hospital ho do.
Emra enam kwan so aye ko ho do. Eni
video na da ho.
Nti hospital na we benkum no a ya to ho tiles blue and white no eni.
Nti hospital ho ne.
Ai. Video no eye mienu ana mensa nti ba ko ndia tiefo behu ne ye pa. And me assure sense my can one way or the other Obia fall victim pen. And then go for better experience. So, Himan, was same round there by one call, you know, by one area university. But the situation into no doctor Neka say oxygen no me doctor mediasia kwaranes one. Me time aso a me pon akofie. Enti nurse for no a mobile be take over akwara no. Mo make sure say mo movie yarefo no nkɔ ba bia mo ma ne nam pay so. Say eye ne pressure na mo be check here, mo be check in one pay so. Say eye scan na mo be twa no a wo mo mobile scanner no no utimi pia utimi movie de kwada bia mo kotwa obi scan.
Okay.
Mo nya no wodam ha. Say mo nim na say mo movie yarefo ni free nimpa so a, and this is according to the family.
Instructions are doctor no mai.
Instructions are doctor no. At the man nurse for say yare for we mo hwe na mo movie na nko ba bia de mo be ye ni bia no mo nya ne won pay so.
Okay.
Enti doctor no de was sign off kofie ana aka lady no ene ne maame a wote ne nchen. Enti wo mo kire se kwansin ana nurse ya wo be yi doctor ne bae wo bae a na wo beka kire maame ne say ye be fa kwara no de na firi ne da ne mpa na wada so no ed na ko scanning room akotwa ne scan ana maame ne ka kire ne say doctor no o jina na doctor say akwara no hwe ne ye movie no de mo be bia mo nya ne ha because say oxygen is in so a won't me moving in kwa bia and akwara no according to the report and according to the family emra nurse ni ba ye no na ga na sori etempa so a wo didi e kire say ne hwan den ato ne kakra nanso no nurse no insist say ono ye professional entinya de doctor no beka
ana obeti
ana ono de be adwumenti no say doctor pon na say me nurse me pese me kotwa ne scanner wo say doctor say ma me ne se wo ye de obeti mi bia doctor na ntie no nurse ni na ntie
no okay
ana wotam otabiri abaiwa no a wayare no doctor say when ye movie no edinate na hwiche mu otabiri no ana atisa
otabiri no
watabiri so e ka say tabiri out as e
fa no
me ka say ma fa no a wo badwadwom bode ma enti me nkoka enti wotabiri no just wo man no so edinate na hwiche mu ana wo pia girl no de na kɔ the next room akotwa na scan na wo ka no esan say the pressure na was rent no and into doctor na ka say when you moving ni na ne say the more wo him no wo shake no na pressure na ye more and according to the report emra wo mo de lady no e ko the next room no ana osa call off biem e wo hwiche num ene na ma popo bribri pressure e ba nurse ni so ana osa call hwiri abayiwa no to mpa so boko sabre no one man the pressure na sa babiem so the lady has gone off again wa collapse me na was wa collapse enti nurse ni no emfa oxygen kura nsa mesi yaafo no so no na ye maa ana maame ne se oxygen no metuaka enti adenti na me ba na ekọ off na waja oxygen asi ho enti nurse ni no pressure okofai edi besi akwara no so akwara no survive under oxygen enti oxygen is so by 15 minutes o keka no ho wo pagya na anyiniti ni ade no na nurse ni na say your oxygen biam. Wow. And this is according to the family na mini ho. So wo mo kire say mra nurse ni kura yi oxygen no akura na oyare no eso nurse ni sa twe no e ma wo beto ne so wo mpa no so.
Okay.
But to say 15 minutes na nurse ni na ba abekam toma achechire girl no oyare ni ti e de bandage abo girl na bodwe ase abo no powder pampam se de obi wu aye no no e kire say nurse no say girl na edai wawu abechechire ni ti e piano to stretch so e de na kwesi according to the family ambulance ya enye dwuma I see hospital ho Map International Hospital. La Paz nyameche wo mo si wo mo pia girl ne ko hye mu no ye de enipa koto ambulance mu a senior such as said ne ko referral ana se bia ne ko mo kire nyesa wo mo de akwara no girl no koto mo kire no mu a was around 8:47 according to the family anopa 8:47 no ana maame say no me ba no onwui wontime nkan nsem se wo wufiri say wonya doctor and I think say one more medically one more tiasiye no metima ka kire mpen they can confirm to us say nurse ni ntimi declare will be dead
apart from pronouncing dead
ntimi pronounce will be dead apart from medical doctor. So identity and in the absence of a medical doctor nurse ni ntimi declare a patient dead entina bushana so one tiasiye ana one friend national ambulance say one more Mab hospital abushanfo so one friend national ambulance for no Wamo picking ya no ambulance for and say they want to talk to the nurse in charge.
Okay.
Wamo say wamo the phone my nurse in you as someone nurse in you catch the ambulance for and say the body is already expired. And you brought for me go to from the family. Wamo say I'm not letting the car say nurse in the car said the body is already expired. You know was around 9 o'clock a.m. Anopanonkuno, which is last week Wednesday.
Okay.
Maame na ante ne ho ase ana wo mo sa frɛ another number won say national ambulance no the more we friend a see different person so twice ana mo sa frɛ national ambulance e ho so wo mo gye ya na nurse na sa agefo na ka kire ambulance for the second time say I told you guys the body is already expired so don't come and se kwaba ne sa no a ambulance for no so be hu said the family is pranking them. And we two from Pomadan, one more fabium. Anna, what here nature say? Ninia a nurse, I will call you 37. What friend no man a buyer. In fact, or Batayan a bar was at Tibianum. What any uses until or creating sin our home dom ebishai. Hitman, Emra, one bush and no nurse in the bedroom hospital. Hono. And what said no, I am also a nurse. A man let know that one we so. Mumpo ye be na free ha ade nako 37
okay
and sabra ye ken na abusuafo no kire say a travel kodru 12 o'clock midday wo mo dia kwala
Okogyeabour me ba eji from anopa 9 to 12 just 3 hours na lady no ye den to ma kire no ho ade epo abo na bodwe se eniti a woda ambulance ya e move yim enti lady da ho no mo 3 hours ya kire no ho declare no say wawu enti emra wo mo ade by force e pagya no around 12 o'clock ekopie mu e wo 37 military hospital no e ho according to the family doctors say what 37 e confirm say lady no e wu 30 minutes ago na kire say 3 hours na Mab hospital for e declare lady say wawu ni na onya dan na wo and this is the report from the family. This is the narration from the family. So, wamuboy amane no media house aye nim yadwuma DLFM. Yenti me empanisi sushefa yemua. Enti ya mekansem we won from him. Okay.
Until say enra menu mienu You call Map International Hospital. Ebusia mo fa fe Facebook no to sma me video no. Mo fa to Facebook because ye mpesa Ghana for baka say e bosire mu ka. Ye yankasa na ye call ho. Me patch hospital no enie. Enti ye kokodro ye no. Ye kwato hospital administrator. I friend no doctor also. Doc say wutie me anopa me mo ache. Ye chia no. Ye call ye no. We did official introduction. Say me did the Okogyeabour. Me nua pani so did the Himan. So no so wacha me. Nanso me didi cha no. Ye free DLFM ni aba. Enkomo ayatie enie. Nemom for the purposes of fairness. Ye pesi etie mo so side as hospital. Me pancho muntie me. I am coming to quote the doctor. Was say, my brother, what again? I think someone bet me transcribe me boy. Bet me atro. Was say my brother? What again? What do they want? What does the family want? Are they doing this because their family is dead? Look, my wife is also dead. Muntie doctor no. My wife is also dead. And she died at Kolibu Hospital. I never accused anybody of killing my wife. So why the family? What do they want, my brother? I won't say anything. Let them go where they want. Let them go where they want to go. And I'm able to say, Doc. So what is say? I can't say one from them. I will buy a mamunchaya and come over there. And in Tiama, tell us something official. Was my brother? I won't say anything. Na me yiri wu na mama Obia so bo a obi nso busu ene ewu a untu Obia so dontum ondo so kan ntum na abusuafo no the day adana wo mubusuafo no wo ye no they reported to the police and the police has advised them to go to court. So why are they still want to discuss it on radio making noise? Che 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 che, and this che 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 is quoted from the doctor. And no some more kind no. And doctor no person what say some mama ne kokko to there or you okay name some be kind of radio so there on you okay nti musa say doc. So at what point should we discuss this? Or catch them many Himan say on you ready to discuss anything to the public. Name some mama no the person or come public it here she can go ahead. They don't care. Because ma akwadani wu ye no wo de the cause of death certificate amabusua no so therefore edi ebiem na ma amene pe enti wo si so dua se wono so wode ne ka wa kire yen wode ne ka wa kire se wono so ne yire wu ne yire wu hospital wa accuse obi wa ma obi aso bo se obi na ekom ne yire enti sa wo so ba wu a ne wo so ye din enti Hitman Map International Hospital La Paz nyameche enkomo free ho ban no but we are happy say anopai abusuafo no ankasa e wo fia ha wo ba be ka wo nsem na se ebia me gya bi wo mu a wo ade asoso senso no se be di bi ka ho so a wo ma yedai eye afrim enti abusuafo ne ba and I am saying say abusua na wo mo ba no nipa wo di wo mani mo ye family member no wo nya obi akeke wo ye late Kubase ankobi ahene osabarema kwame asa tawia twafo hene wo hene e befia ha woni maame no akwara no wuda na naso ni befia ha so from the house's own mouth and penisi a photocopy FS dan and to original I rest my case. You rest your case and pat abusha Anidaso Obia morning show no asugo so 35 minutes after 7 obofo the aba no no hit asama Okogye kan nyina no me famu abakakra ebia na nurse ni no on shada na adwumu sabio na adwumu on shada enkoye papa ko say so oye normal person we dem salami kan so ye normal person enka asama ekosu nyina no ade na wo say we yesa ana say se enye se na adwumu so na eka no so dia na eye pa obi na abone pa ana se den because she the whole thing na ade na ekono cheze we decide
so opese nipa wu me madwen no nti obi so ntumi nsori se okuni pa keke nti so obi obetumi ayesa ne de ade se o se yehwe na adwum se na adwen no sabe mpedesa eye okay anase onye okay na ye wie no so ye mra doctor yi so ati ase ɔwo so wona wa kyerɛ ade na wo kɔ no so obi abɛyesa no wo so wo ba baka ho asam sen and at the same time papa yi amukɔ ne nkyɛm tu ana wo so kɔ ne nkyɛm ayi ofan sen
doctor also on the hospital administrator
yes just imagine it from omankasa no so no so nenu ma asam afi bae ono so ne yirewu enti obi so de ewu
so no kra ne yirewu
ono kra ne yirewu
ye no am cheswa mo obi asoboa
enti so obi so de ewu a ɛyɛ normal enti so wo yirewu nti a no say wo so hospital na wo so wo no o say wo so ukunkum nimpa teka ana say wo so obi wu so teka say wo yirewu nti o say obi so wu ana because enye obi a ehyebre na obi so hyebre nti se bempedesa wo yerempo ebia nyame na to nsa frɛ no nti se nyame na to nsa frɛ wo yerempo a no no so nkyerɛ se obi so a ebia ne de ne mbre nson no muntu mpre no ana muntu nya hu bibi na mbetumi agyina na tan se sa nipa no me yire wu nti no ono so wu anya hwe na family no e den na mpesa me
na according to administrator of hospital or Dr. Osom also no oni kwan so okasa hospital ni run kura ni ho Okogyeabour what is no okasa
yes or say Ghana Health Service
wambrano
omo
ethics no
doctor nkasa but can a man a reference but the whole thing is that now onye na adwen kra say even obe granting the necessary audience
okay
as one said anya na adwen say obebie niam so a kire yen because ye nsem trodwuman enche berache kakra
yeah
yenya a whole lot of interviews with doctors ubo binum dia Ghanaians know ya reported accident cases bebre every Tema hospital
yes
but what am I say ya reported accident cases bebre every ensawem enti hospital administrator krampo won sawem me wo fa ya frempon wo fa nya me wo nhira adwuma pa wo yenti you see okasa doctors and conducting interview I don't get it Wabwa
okunti na me bisa
I am see number 2 number I am not judging, I am not concluding. Okay. But yeah, adwuma ya nhase last week you. Yeah, ne doctors, hospital administrators, asem timisi, wo se kwa administration. Na omno mbetimi akasa. 2023 last year, ye kwa kolebu, ye kwa ye no medical administrators, they spoke to us as media. Enti ana yanko doctor ho, yanko nurse ho, we a hospital administrator. It means you will take a center stage when it comes to the hospital's administration.
Yeah.
And you are the right person to talk. But all the same, was woman kasa. But the fact is also woman kasa. Do can ya me then say. One of the only assembly I will catch the young. Name of some mameno and the person we are saying in ate or no can. That's fine. Into mameno so be me we are saying atenenka. But ye can medical negligence I use you. Medical negligence no ebi a wrongful medication say doctor emma me edrosa me nom paramienu what roy na say nurse ni wo ba na wo say me nom me ensa a wrongful medication etimi kum nipa a medical negligence afen so no ye were defiance of patient's choice Hitman
Okogyeabour
asem we bi esi wo rich hospital pen ebiesi ewo kolebu pen ebiesi ewo 37 pen and when they go to the internet it is there ntenye Okogyeabour na eka se me yarefo anase bia me openfo me bewo na me say doctor me pesa mo ye me CS mutwa me yam na mo yi akwara no doctor se me ntwa obetimi a wo afa se bio wase a na se enipa no oba no in the course of one owu a medical negligence I think some doctors say and if we are wrong, they can educate us. See boa. And I feel so. Say me oba me kwa na me say ma wo pan me metimi awo natural childbirth. Metimi awo fa say baby ma wo fa. Doctors oboa me twa wo twa me na sasa abre no man survive a medical negligence. And say the yarefo ba. Na what tie no. It doesn't conform to your ethics as a nurse or a doctor and your medical negligence.
Okay.
Syria, we read this psychology kakra. Your friend be psychokinesis, the power of the mind over the situation. Me Okogyeabour abetia me nyare ne modam ma adwene mu da ho. Se me nya problem bia na se nya yare kwan so a. Esasa adwene ka kire me se wo ye nipa ma adwene nya dwuma mo akoma nto oyem ene e kan psychokinesis. Enipa nyankopon boyen se adwene no irrespective of the height and the size of the situation esasa adwene ti me control
adwum ne yadwuma
eno nti na wo ma me kura wo dampa so a ye di fufuo ba wa otimi dai utimi di because ye hu ne say nipa no wo awie ntima adwene ya dai enka bibi ntro na didi but at the point nipa na yare no onye normal human being again but Ghana nko ana nurse ni timi tia yarefo say ada na wo tietie mu sa you see nurse ni obeka sa no you want to tell me say your medulla oblongata wa adwene no enye dwuma complete wo hia pantan sine wati wase
pa
nurse ni obetiatia yarefo na ada na wo nko na yare ana nko na wo ana nko na yese no nurse ni tiase complete you are mad because nipa na woda ho no we nipa na emom no at the point situation na wonam no wonya normal biem ye wo hospital bu okrom ha eya ban hospital nurses ne se wo mo nso abregwam nurse ne se wo mo nso nkokorafuom because enkokorafo na we die na pompo no abrewa we die atwentwam te no wo die abrewa kwa no wo di nsem hunu empanese se wo tenten wo nyini ya wo nsra kwatia asem no
Okogye ando mo na mo ko but I don't know I asefem I your papa because we share the whole process na we dream ho kra na maboto ampa o it nyame nu kwani mama ye basa me ndura bia me ko bia nka bia na yenim de besi so cause on say to de bia asem bi wo ho a wote a wontumi hya wo so ba den ya yensan for the de bia wo say wo hya wo so ba o hwen sama ekoso nyina na eye wickedness enti me no say yensuma ne say ye de nipo simesi ba oba kunidi a ono nurse
but in some way across various clinics and hospitals nurses for subai and am nurse be negligence nti obi ahwere de share enye nkran krom hanko ekoso wo mbia ekoso wo mbia but ayana nipa ne suro so wo beka
o say wo hwa hate nurse for bi musuban no akwai te say sabio fitafo ni bi fitani itu ade ewo ka ho na se wuni ho ana wugina ho mpo na se ebu a mistake bi na oye na ebu yo ba ontumi nka nche say o fa ne say mebu ade no o se ade na ebu so what I say we na ode ba na asai enso ono akase na oye hu adwuma ade na oye ni mistake oye nti na ade ko ne say fitani betumi agbo okabi a ekane tese 7 pedesa wodwu wa wonti asa ade na wokotono kwa esombo pa ne bo odin pa but enam say wunim ho hweni nti no ono say wade we asai saoso na kwa say nurse fo no say omo ya ade ana say omo anhwe ni pa yie patient bi ba ya de ne ba na say omo anhwe ni yie na say BBC a ena omo say wunim pa na wa heden wewu it ede na obeye because ono ni mistake no sa mistake no what change or the ato baby and also winning pa na heden ewu enso enka ono focus ade na oye na enka sa nipa kon
but wonim some nurses ni bi won so wo bo ho modern pa
e bi bo ho modern thing
some of the nurses are very very good
oh yes
e bi ko do wo mbe kokro no mbe say me kai say ye de me ankri bi e ko hospital bi no so me ntambo o din obeje di say the way hospital no guess na wo ho na den eye na tam o mo hwe amaya mo hwe no kana me yanka no atandada daddy we okay no me se do me hu bi da me life me ba wiase me hospital be me hu bi da the wo mu si kokro ne the wo mu ye tam ye ni ba on don kasa ko say tam ye say ba so okay no say oh my show oh me okay utu ampo so you okay me ne ko fie
and make us some of the nurses are very very good
so
ebi mo susu banye
eight man
Okogyeabour
wo ya de papa ye bebo odin wo ye bone so a ye bebo odin ensem huru nti ne ye chedin o
ampa
wudru Pentecost Hospital ewa Madina say o man mpanimfo abasobodie bia o mfa ma nurse fo e wo ha ne midwives Himan say we do Pentecost hospital ha say a government hospital we do ho no mo aho the nurse fo on be no say ne obofo kan yare no wo hen yare no betu akọ obi wo hon man yare no wo hia parensuo wo hia bi ko wo hia shikro
wo hia man bi ana wo
hia abrewa bebobo na yare no eye arechichira nsam no hia mame anchia Mrs. Stella Abla Kofi were midwife wo Pentecost hospital sanka a nurse fo ne doctors wo Ghana nyina ya dwuma te se wo no a anka nyane se nkete hati mu oh but ni nyina no bra pani yi de ya kan nyina no atwitwa ebegu the leadership wodro Pentecost University Pentecost hospital no a administrators no omo ye discipline enti they have instilled discipline in the nurses
and the workers
so doctors and nurses we bring that discipline we mu bunipa we mu hwa yafo ye we mu ntia obia because I have been there several times even just last week Saturday I was there senior share Enquires de ma mpanifo ye kan leadership wa we nyama mpani akufo abasem name of Ghana Health Service Dr. Patrick Kuma Boaje who now ye Director General doc anopay wapom to send
ye chana anopay
if 2020 na Musa say doc we hard working COVID-19 time Dr. Patrick Kuma Boaje who now Ghana for onso now ye da say name say coach no eye papa said den na player na we gina park no so bobo no we ye say bi player kankan a time bia ye si coach na den wabon ye call afcon but afcon no ye coach na fa no sen Chris Wooten mbacho Chris Wooten born wa mobi Chris Wooten born wa mobi
no ye coach
nemom de da you no many players na egu park no so no ensem hu na omudi ye nti de da you da so aye player our Black Stars but Chris Wooten aye den ya pamo no eye kasa bebuo you can be a good coach but when the players are rough and bad you be who say we a bad coach ba me de Dr. Patrick Kuma Boaje doc yenim wadwuma wa ye yensem trofo yenim yesrew se wan fa wo na nsi fomu a anesifo ni bi eye nkatebone a frankatepam asankate no
na sankate ni ntumi mfanya nkatenkwan
that be sentinel penisi bedua cross bedua sa so ye wo Ghana Health Service e wo krom ha Ghana for kwa ho kirem hwe opa bie phone lines
unim Okogyeabour no pema me bie tetefo ni ntum obi wo hono ma wa go through such situation bi
yes
wa ko hospital ma negligence of nurses bi ntino wahwere this year abia yade akro de ko no kro wantumi anya yaresa ye fa course ne kakra
mbacho ma be 1 second
mama nti Okogyeabour
also my Ghana Health Service din enya wo mo nko a ye wo nurses and midwifery council wo headquarters e won kran ha empanifo ti amfa mo nansi form ana Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association mama se man fa mo nansi form a ye wo nurse boni a wo mama nkrofo ma ewu
okuruba yeah, for calls on 0593406565. And I'm paying some my year key. Ebia to pay. And also we'll go through situation pay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I wouldn't be a free. What I want you home through radio and Hona Fee and Casa.
Pastor Ben and I'm a true husband.
Maybe I fro say.
Pastor Feminana.
Nana Casa free here.
Pastor Cassette, Mamma,
Mate, Maminti no pay.
As my mocha dear, Monsieur Pan, I made a dear, since I buy the beer one, I'm a radio.
Did I say?
Me Uncle Sammy Coole. Me Uncle Sam. I will call it hospital. I don't know, me, operation here, but that time, dear, a day oxygen is soon, let's soon be. I'm not injection in my injection. I won't in my intimate. And the operation, I'm not the machine. It's a name that recovery was. Only make a family, but in Zimita, it's not a no say after operation, and I'm a yard. In fact, I'm a sick. For Mamma, dear, but many who are dear and bra, I will hope them. Kana mature. See me say me fear and I say me ya mama ya. Enu adie.
ɛna hɔ nso so wɔbusuafo bi ntumi ma hɔ ti dɛ me ti ya ne sɛ nurse ni sɛ ti de ade asi hɔ no mu hu ana nso wɔbaba me two voice na even me ndi nipa kura a ogyina hɔ no me soro bɛyɛ asom nsa ne sa ade mu kura mu bɛyɛ amenyɛ ti ɛnsa atona so wa ne bibai me abɛma wɔ ne ne atona make ne me qualify de me ti ma so saw
wɔbɔ wasum
Bomasum, or Mammy, I wear such a figure more, but Bomasum.
Nurse Nino.
Nurse Nino. Masum,
wow.
Yeah, in the place of one of my sick on my market, and what that, my first born.
Wow.
Miss Sonia. The idea of looking upon my children here. Because you know, she.
Mate.
A friend who said, Doctor, and buy and was saying, maybe we malaria on the system, more than a call them at true. Young family. Even though cried, they make forward in 3 days and send a mean nipa. And I can imagine, say, so where you will be a Kunkumiana.
Ah, nurse in the Bowasum.
Oh, promise to trust. Oh, mammy, I wear some extent of so many and poor doing more of the Bomasum. And the BM buy and then the cemetery and to a boss ram and
Kafra. Why? Mate, I don't pay your dances to me, afraid. Good morning.
Yeah, Hitman.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nyansa Neo.
Nyansa Casa free him for no pay.
Because I feel them.
I don't pay my meet you.
Hitman, me say, one time be my quality or me area. Me number say be the second channel. I'm so. They say, or some one made in the call. The net a we didn't call Anna. Bueno, next be ban who say, or the one who tetanus today. Now, when she that the opening next no one a pandiano. Now, I day, or should I be that beyond yet? It's later than a boy and catch me say, or how many nurses no more, no me and quality, they are not qualified. But you may find the try now, they later no penny buying of the one. It's my mistake. There's no other corner, malaria attacking me, and I didn't call. The corner, mammy bed. But the other nurse beyond you. Said, yeah, me, my call on the kind, or maybe I mean if I'm a trial. Young lady, banner, the pandia, will warm me to the Simuja. Ah, see the one and I see no nurse, the banner. Ah, I do only my dinner on Ghanaian trail. I say, ah, he said, there's no image man, no one depending on war. Since then, I never know the left leg.
Kafra.
Oh,
Kafra.
Obia. Can be cool.
Kafra. I don't pay. Yeah, that's so. What's your experience with us? Good morning.
Good morning.
The patrol would in baby. I can say free and pay.
But you can say fit. I've said.
My meeting.
You about more camera. Who basa? Oba okwa woso to me bonasum. Hey, into that this one, so I will be Kanana. She, Nania, me say, be more. I mean, so, all said, Ubu, a Jumini wanted to know. I'm going to say, many a Jumaye. Probably you know, gonna hang now, Ubu, and you let man so obey teaching it, and you let man so obey doctor, obey nursing, then soon, only trace a Juman or Koye, into Mamma Hunshim. Into a bar, a yes, some people, and yes, some people did that small. And then Pennyful wants to know, to the almond check or and Obi school, mobile phone in Yano or chat. I do so also a nurse in Nino and Fano. Say, you never put baby compono. So, Obi Jam Crown or so be a Jumano. May or see traffic or chatty for so. Obako Bank or John or guard the bank said, yeah, Nipobani bow or better no. No, it has no chat to force. Ain't it? Do not say again for a no. And Yakova do you. Mammy, was to be paid and no.
Okay, but
injection ye, our Maui.
Okay, Mate, Miss Medasa and a person who's with me, a friend. 106.9, good morning.
Morning, Okogyeabour.
Me patrol from a Hitman Okogyeabour.
Ah, okay.
Mammy, you want to pay.
Sometimes, the day.
Mammy, too.
After me, I am here. Na Ghana pa no ye ba wi asura be ye den. Oh. Obi this year anka mbeti ma je no afuru wo mutei. Okay. Munye dem mbeti ma ya afa asem we ho na asem we pa de.
Yeah, the any dear chiri. Why?
Emu ya.
Mate. But that's what to me afraid. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Me pacho wudi ni be akase free.
Pacho friend is Akogyeabour because Africa come to 11 tema.
Akogyeabour minti wa no pay.
Hitman, I'm say Oko hospital. I'm say patient degree on film. I am missing the mechanics last year December 27th. Me what and ni mokro ni mo hospital ni and this time me say me brother yare nti me ko fa me ko hospital.
Okay.
Me see me dey me brother call hospital no nurse after no bibia eno me see ho back me brother ma mi be wa mi dem pe any friends and me brother name.
Wow.
Just say utinu say entiasi pie nim but unyo kama fwa obefa ne sa.
Okay.
Intino patient to move no am say ya nurse for.
Okay.
Inti nurse for no enyo bia na ya frɛ no nurse adwuma yo frɛ o. Yo frɛ inti no bia na ya frɛ no obi ono mo a ekom na mon di koye nurse.
Okay.
Inti na mpanyifo no ombefa nurse for no no ma be ye adwuma omuni nipa na ye adwuma na yo yare nso a senya mo kan o tese unni we are restless inti say omu say no patient ebedele.
Okay. That's it. And I bet me that's the was what to me afraid. Good morning. Hello. Debbie. You have a call in the Kakra 0593406565. Share experience with us. Wako hospital. And an amnes ni bisunti. Dr. Bisuntino. Nyoman Kuye. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wudi ni baby akase free.
Me pacho free Mustafa.
Okay.
Me kasa free airport.
Yo, Mustafa mami ti wana pay.
Okay. Apepe wo mama okowo sa nurse ni bona so me de. Ti frank wan yan yi. So say emma no nyame ya do no mo fa yefu no mo kwa akowo a. No ma pi epiepie. Especially one way we no obi wan ani so etumi e bri ni kakra. So what you say? It is even though so I fear anyway. Oh, so I fear anyway. Now also so I feed the more obey bonasu. Or free be so what I bonasu ma ampa. Okay, me mom dear say near. I'm also me back a me man can so say me see. And yes idea. So princess and say no or born man eto from there. Hey, and then as my catch say you ready, would the police man on the on status on am cause about on my chimney play. No power so much as what by from no. Why?
Interested, yeah?
And you're fine. So be a known about hospital. Send a nurses from our tent here.
Mate.
Oh,
Mate.
If I saw me that's a bit.
That's a person to be afraid. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wudi ni baby akase free no pay.
Me pacho me this fee me kata free sanwom.
You. Oba free ma minti wa no pay.
The dear the sakoto ho de me mpaida. Eda mati.
Yes, your mother was a pa. Mon ko swentie.
Na the koye operation ko lebu. Metie na mi vu. Me saso nurse inu a na wa bom nsabo ho se me de me sa kama se na me di so ni. Adia o mo de here me ofon. Ifie donkono ni. Enye easy. But the me hu ni se ya wo fo no ye ne ye pa adwuma ma ye ma. Enye eni para adwuma kora wo se me ba no nkoye nurse, okoye police, okoye soldier. Ene na nsa na ye pa adwuma se ya ma ye ma. Me ka tele bi se me de me ba de do no be tusu no na me ma na ye. Oka tele me se ne adwuma ni ho nti di oba no benya bia ma ne nye. And I'm catching a so wait till you kunkum a police for the van. It's yes, Frem,
Mama by an say. And yes, sir, you can a Juma protocol. Yet, no question. No, yet.
Okay.
A colana, you diffuse for buying. Yaman, the poor crowd, your soldiers will go school to you. What you mean? They were cooking yes, cutting the back was yet not less. Yaman come.
Nyankopon enka also ho anopai. Our very final caller na fi yemfa phone in segment no. Yemfa good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa che say.
Oforiwa
kasa free yemfa.
Me kasa free man probi.
Ma minti wa anopai.
Ka tell me say me so me ba ba ko afi na wo ko. Me hospital ni Lakeside Hospital. And Okogyeabour Ocran. Okogyeabour Hospital, they are doctor and may operation. They shall offer their big name my own charm. Name my mini and wedding. The person you charm. There are antenatal. Nakabaya 1 week. And one a premise. Or any conclude who are doctor and say, near my uncle fee. Nemedi. There's a semi year got down.
O semi chow.
Semi chow. Who chow on so they are. What the knock to bed? No, I find the one say we run a say. No, I got tea. You know, and soon the moja back about phrase. Now the local theatre and so one a nurse, agent, midwife, and even on a more. If a midwife and I catch her say, so I'll be trying to be there. Then I wouldn't want to run. Thinking enough, I am on top. Or say, or catch the nurse and say, walk out. Or say, I won't walk out. I say, the woman trouble for a year, about for a year. About friend of it or Yari. When I hope Popo, you didn't go to bed, the bed in Popo. You in bed, see 3 days. You 3 days in radio. You didn't bed, do see, and I journal. You were going to your man so didn't go to read. Yeah, where you might and someone got a kind of boy. When you mean a bear, you didn't base. Muffle, abofre ya kutumi nante. Wa koye tese ahoro ya. Lucky na dance my akokora bi etumi hu say as a large intestine en na into what refer no call refer the way doctor no ye adwuma wo Kolebu but one hospital Robert Hospital. I didn't call. And also, yeah, as I'm who said on top, as a sign, open wound. No, when you're 8 months, or the whole fact to me, my baby, the buyer the little one away. And also, call you open wound. And away we see a basin me, I'm a friend of a 3 years. Ne mamma, ne tweet, there be a chum, a young chum. Why, you tell me, I'm going now, the man of coffee, you are who baby, pet scan. Bibiana, Mississippi, or Tanaka, Nemusha, the cheap, the beer, the Pania war, Pania, almost contour anything. The war need be kind. We have not as a film. Yes, I want to see a warning game. It in a spine when a cheese, a mania war, and then. I think that Dr. Yes, a nurse who kind on the yoke. It is a nurse for one of the midwives for doctors for a big camp. There's not a woman in our group. What the next report near one, but the other own meeting. And within a year, I'm a baby today. Into a fast way, a buying a nurse for a doctor, a midwife, only in a baby.
Okay. But Miss Beda as a person up here, what to me, a friend. Well, DLFM 106.9, 5 minutes after 8. Now, what my Ghana no, so may obey you, any you. I'm on for bra and a betray.
Say
woman be yo, woman in you, woman for bra, and a betray. And a pay ending come up, minima diana, lawyer Frank, Kwabna, a frifa. Madiana, Machu. Na anope wumpom te se lawyer na me adom yaso hu ye pa na na anope nso nkomo bia ye di wo fi hanom na wo ka se wi amagye wadwe nkyere dia fa ho lawyer anope ye ndi nkomo a ye die no empempi no ye di obi kokota ye sesa nipa we wankasa ye wahu kasa wankasa ye wo court ana eno no den na de sansem ne ba.
Oh, okay. Micheal, Himan. Micheal, I found for no more doing, you know.
The Josopa.
Micheal is a big DLFM. I think that most of the time, you know, there were never be or how to the end. If you need a torso, which is are you following what I'm saying?
I meet you, pa.
Yeah, I just say, all the cats will be used here, and like I said, on Fana Japadin, and I'm trying to come on. Also, the Panabay, Obia, because Obia's rule, and found how so when you a do stage, Sabia, and 10 years, 100 years, 100 years, Obia has to restore. Obaka was on the rule, and I say, you are Obaka and Niagiama, not a party. Obia no ebe turn so because enya adea wotia ma wo kra no wonya ho ase woni padua no kra no timi esakra so o to the material here pa
lawyer metie pa
yeah entino court no aye so obia ka se wo de enti court no akoye bibi but ade ba ko aye hye no so no say enipa bia no whether you like or not one day you pass away.
Okay.
And if you are not, you said that I am fire draining your day and call. So you still be unclear while we talk on the matter. Sometimes, you know, you're too dinner. At the adjunct for by a team, say, make away. I do my clan, a have no say, the panel being on the say, make on. Do a 7 of the minimum, 7 study a 7 years, I make a do that. Now I did be bent in the other semi go away. For who do you know me one? Who do you know I could come in? Yeah, me day, yeah, me near my penal. Me, man, you care for everything you just found you know. Are you for what I'm saying?
Meet your lawyer.
And so to honor who are to me, and if I say, Friday, say, you know, which not a pap will be a chile, alcohol,
time,
time, but the fact of the matter, I say, court now alcohol, we didn't go your time or at the end, what is the guarantee? Say, alcohol, over some but still normal, sending alcohol. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Lawyer Mitipa.
Sanya mana akoye a Guinea special, you know, ye abi before, ya doctor, ye dia say you ya Italian, who you be a some American, obi you, o kind of thing. I didn't know when it no and one when it when you take court, police, who the rest of the police Baba and I say will be invited to say they invite you or be a small social police station. Hey, I said, because I say it could be a show. That's why that's why and I say, oh, only after say black police headquarters. I say, I black police headquarters. Just say, and yet, be headquarters now.
No, who be a bow?
Who be a bow? I say, oh, corner, yeah, worry. I say, oh, corner, you go to chow. They are check. I say, oh, corner. I say, one casa, corner. I say, oh, Maria, with the Yadia, my papa did. Oh, and you walk on body language, you know, who could you know, at the end of you, at the end of crying on, yeah, see me about. At the end of yeah, because you are just passing by, and I say, about based on hearsay, we've been a client out TV, so what did I mention? And it's like, and because I didn't see, you know, because Mr. Smith, we never say, oh, Chemo. But it's something as a brother, it becomes burden. I did be answered by a burden on you. Then he becomes heavy. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Lord, me tipa.
I did piano about a burden on you. Then he becomes heavy on you. eba sa no a you talk say I said I said the akasa wo be mi ati ayam hihie ene ehu anti ayi ahye mu and you know eba sa no a na beginning now we be free and now we free baby I want to akọ police station ho and now so we free wa akọ court one kra no na we the kind adu abu ho for just say we bu ho for as we di nkukuo as we ko no sankofo no mo bu no as we ye nipa sonko a omo de omo mpie as ya che omo bu kejivin enti ye release wo mo a na omo be court no omo hu as omo te kakai as omo te say na sa mentality no aduna be show tiri mo and you know when you bokora no already no so do our for that Himan, are you follow what I'm saying?
I mean Tiopa.
Yeah, no so do our for that now so what do our for there adiane why o ko peni e busa say adiane say na to so pacho because on say e who be what can entertain who from fear what you can entertain from and where the night board the institution now board you know I said the catch say be na for battle one here I catch your plane one here go bet me an yabo yeah kind of because and you say obi and na be out but any baby akọ some match no obi na you who be say I say o call you na no ye ko chiware so what did they say what and you know I must based on hearsay. Oh, Sunday morning based on hearsay. Then I test my system. Some Obia, ultimately a good leader. And I say ultimately manage baby, I will feel. And now we are software. Now, say what's on 2 pounds. And I say institution be our down. Now, say a institution no call and you know. I never question you're careful. So you shouldn't be. Now you're careful. Now you're very steady on this. Based on hearsay. Are you for what I'm saying?
Let me tell you,
based on hearsay, and we see some contact with you for the phone and we are some person in power at all. No, I can't be a church. Who be a boom. No, I can't. It's what I already captured one some about so many years ago. Say, invite you had there, and Uncle Court there. Saying the number and doing I don't know who you for cry or quack as before. That's a G2 because 1 year to no patch away. You say, but Sunny based on hearsay. Court now will call. Himan at the same menu meanwhile. Are you for what I'm saying?
Let me tell you,
are you for her at the same menu meanwhile? You are here for me. Some component will go judge not one piano to say why you share. Oh, some pop, you share baby, you won't come up and you're normal, but I just share Nimdia Kuta, who decided the enemy. Nimdia, who decided the enemy.
Okay.
And then I'm a different squires from Kubi, but the bus said, someone. We young kind of what to say the honor so kind of but a Nimindia be our question.
Okay.
Nimindia or no, a Kutana or the year Juma. And decided the end of who is then be. That's how when you've been until a man I so common. And I want to need India was so long. Also need sign in the enemy. But young but they have been obeying Diano is more supernatural than young Dia. Are you following what I'm saying?
No, I'm following.
And then a carpenter piece, tomorrow, I usually ask a carpenter there, because will be a carpenter near the down regarding the thought the cast will be a cocoa seller, will be away, will be a shoemaker, will be here, you may be a Libya, you know, the answer, you can't be pass a tank of one of be. And you see, I make a say, only a hit mine, and it will be a shoemaker, you know what? Fine, and it would be a hit mine. You follow what I'm saying, bro?
Let me tell you, I
hit man the wedding because I no radio, so or you're famous, so and so, blah blah blah. But shoemaker in India, you fight and say nothing. But in India, shoemaker in a one hit man, we need you. India also hit man, one of shoemaker in India, any and you know, and to say, we entertain you who I idea. Anytime Biano, we entertain you who Biano. You are a failure. Are you following what I'm saying?
Lawyer, will be a entertaining fear be a failure.
Who you failure, and they will be a who's entertaining fear beyond on a catch of plane. Who are. Remoko grammar. We say, who you failure.
Okay.
but be able to piano when you fail because Abrabona here bono Roman. Abrabona here bono. What you not? I am telling you the truth. I am telling you the truth. You answer with me fat and so him. What is the major of it? Over fun, you mamu, we back, we say, you for, you do at them, you make a consum, you may say, you do blah, blah, blah. Now, soon to me, you're not starting. I can't complain there. You are a failure. So when you know, master, and you're careful, you failure. One thing, I tell one of the first I did do I tell you, now they are no maybe a debution because you decline Sana not yet. Sana, they're talking you know, Sana not yet. And you know, we are there, we will be able to tell you Sadia more. I didn't know why you're crying. See, entertaining and Madam Mama, it's a man, you know. And number 2, you're going to be said, make all court, me far with you. Also, far with you, idea be a nipper be out here. Are you following what I'm saying?
Let me tell you, pa.
Far with the idea of being here, say, Unisika, Sabi Unisika, Unia be being what you now, far with you, sir, and it's making for the money. Far with you, over to the announcing and baby. I talk on all those that I got my home show down to be a catcher. So, Tarena, oh, mamma, be about to back to be near that. And also, so it's me different with them. Tell me more when you know the Shemua. No, I'm not thinker of capital. Or thinker of capital. No, I am empty. And do it to me, really being. I know, be here. I want to tell you, so I tell my question who are blah, boom, say. After 2 minutes, Diana and Cata, I'm out to me. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Let me tell you what I pay.
I heard me after 2 minutes, Diana, out to me, beer. When you're ready for. Not because I'm not, what would the name of your system? I'm no accepted man. And you know, who yet so and now found Bonibi, now far to stage beer. Both I don't know, I know more than I after. You said, why not didn't be a ya, not Sabi.
Who take two?
I said, well, yes, because I did not down. And this son of who at here, whom son at here, who you who for? I'm telling you, Crowder. Who for Bia, so no, who do you Biano, 7. I'm not for a boy, and I say about bull, I'm not for betting out you should get friendly, and I say never be or more yakin pronoun. Because one can tell you who for. Are you for what I'm saying? Are you for what I'm saying?
Let me tell you, pa.
Yes, and you know who you are, dear, and the same when they came to court, and you need to when you are someone court to be there, some now when you know. I didn't know how be a coca ABCD. Him, I'm here, a fancy, Tino say, what's it with the question every fear and I'm a day call because I didn't hear atmosphere, no, a different. I am a correct. There be an institution, even a talk class, or you be not a focus of fear, near chair and stuff, said, bra. And look around, a science will be also. And I want to say, in dinner time, I want to say, I'm more to to phone crown, you to phone binamo. Who's Jimmy?
Me too, pa.
Over the stage, you know, but it's a crowd to make go on. If you are or share space answer, I see you but not see me. Found the majority. Because on to me, for any kind of shows, and no woman, you're not to me, yes, I did. So what did the majority? Because of things that you pay, you know, you were kind of. Argument here, a warning for him. And to a sofa crown, Nipa animal preacher. Tambiano, so you are getting free here, Nipanes, because who do I think, who do I need to see Nipa Soa? If you move them, after who preaches salvation, but you answer the call for all the call prosperity.
Another call fornication.
And I said the call fornication. Thank you very much. Because Obia Nimkeke, Obia Nimkeke now, Bashan Crown, it may change you body language. Because I said, a BNA receive at the but obviously, I'm going to move anymore, and then I'm going to answer at the away and crown. I said, all the more about Snatas
on 2 case.
I said, on 2 case. It's a Bassano, Obia, who know more. I thought, and no one water, and I the corner away. I said, now to top up, now to top up. So I mean, almost out there. What you can so I do see quite for. If you did be a way piano, would you only say, oh, yeah, but I didn't know. I didn't know what you know. So soon now, what the yes, I didn't. I thought, so soon, a bottle. As soon as you know, I was saying, what else was through him, a call baby to somebody Gatanga. Are you follow what I'm saying, bro?
With your lawyer.
What few who call Gatanga, do which one you know? Obia can extra time in our age, man. The young son could do a woman, I thought the Yamani pass Eddie Giano was a few because why share any movie, I'm an immuno, a globum. This is what it is. Our court. Are you follow what I'm saying, bro?
I'm here.
Sana our court. Who could do another be a judge, not to all, will be a say, hey, but whoa, wait, you copy. Or if I said what I see was ready, and maybe who be a day.
Let us show.
Of course, you party to all, maybe I could do one of your flow, be some maybe brother, your woman, who call a fiasco 20 years. Uti, I will say that they know why you don't go on here. Because what in your say. Say you any point to morning, and what to say, and what to say, and what to say. Because the beginning of the matter, no one hobby. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Let me know.
You have no Obia Quayam and I can ask some Obia can your pet, Obia church and listen, and I pay the Marano down of Wendy. To Marano down of Wendy. This is what it is. And to see that in the year. And I say, 1 hour year, yeah. I did back when I saw Charles be a horse say, entertain this afternoon.
Okay.
2. Who said, courtroom language, your courtroom is different than the other thing.
Okay.
You're working on radio show. You're working on solid demo. You're working on baby. Courtroom language, is different. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Let me tip her.
And you could do on us and near my different. And man, show some who be Micheal Musa. My quack and near my different. And you're teaching at the end of saying you by me. And yeah, Madame Jamaica Nibicat and was what you eat, that's what you are. Give me the over dinner and no I move for. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Let me with you, bro.
If you courtroom no the Bia Sabi, your camera and it's in a month of time when you have some now police in invite you and I say a court the war if I acquire with the say when you invite a lawyer. So what is the matter? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm here, lawyer.
The most of the time, the lawyer can't want. We say, I'm not. If we look at crap, if we be, if we 100%, at least about 70% in here, then it's true.
Okay.
Because one who say you camera, once I town, my point, and my idea, and the see you know, you do. But most of the time, yeah, not, yeah, dika, we are hopeful, and sana.
You're to cry.
Your boy hopeful fear, tell them catch on Mariah, young seminal. Now, Sanya might tell you hopeful more, criminal cases. Are you for what I'm saying?
I'm here, lawyer.
On the criminal cases, and of simple matters, no problem. Most of the time, I just forget yeah, now who the baby, all in year. At the end of the day, you to be the other person. And this also ended a who to me, and the almost the old cast, and some of old canon, which and Cronan can overcome. But it's not fair. Why entertain Saudi and you know? I said, oh shit, to leave. Are you for what I'm saying, bro?
I'm here.
I'm not oh shit to leave. It will be our courtroom Ocran Sabu on your running and answer on your Obia. What you try to do who are? Papa, you can say, okay, dear. What you are, they don't know, yeah. Are you follow what I'm saying, bro?
Let me have me too, pa.
Because I'm better to come on who's at some American.
You're walking on me following you, pa.
Because you better was with TV. Oh, and this is what has happened. And Yankasa, Yampa, and sometimes I say, oh, baby, yeah, what is about radio, National, not area, be a boy, she got a massa, Billy, who over channel down, blah, blah, blah. Once a while, the Enquires canoe. So why you care for it? To be show so I feel do anymore. Most of one got our home. Oh, let me be so be my it's legal power. Let me present me who said, or no one. I feel now what's happening. As someone can deal with what can. Inside the Enquires can tell you, a book, a movie a day, I'll be showing. Eh, Bianca Okayanka, and I'll oh, but because of Sanya Man and I are not a who, it even say, yes, you form with and say. We are some more court, and I be this institution, be an organization, be near flower. First, let's all say, please, who is here? What you would time, ever. Are you follow what I'm saying?
I'm here.
ehunu deɛ utumu tan ehunu bɛba na ehunu so ba mesraw mɛmma na konya ma ne ntra so sɛ excuse me to say sɛ wayɛ sɛ wonyɛ yo please masa kwan no enti na sɛ bia no bibi saa no ade ba kɔ sɛ hu sɛ wowɔ hɔ a whether you like or not you must have the spirit of determination. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
The spirit of determination, you know, it has nothing to do with say when I would before and I would do them. What the nature of it? In life, when we be determination is very important because when to me and determine, I'm telling you the truth, say failure there, you are close to failure. What me at the end say, but you still keep on doing it. Oh, Bible was it here?
Bible.
Yeah, Jeremiah chapter 18, verse number 1.
Jeremiah 18.
Jeremiah 18, verse 1.
Okay.
Jeremiah. Jeremiah chapter 18, verse number 1. I'm busy I can't send you
okay. Jeremiah 18. Okay. Lawyer, me wahanum.
Tackle.
Okay, lawyer, sir, we can I for you follow wahanum.
Okay. The rest of the 18 it can't be different as the science of I think you go past some bar. Maintain. And of course, on sort of on your full fee. If you are in a chair, who give me a potter. I have, if you are in a chair, the on sort of on your full fee. Nothing for comments. I don't think so on call on your full fee. We are in a chair, a yard. Or say, nothing for comments. And then you go for that, which was the same place or friend.
Okay, so Jeremiah 18, verse 1. Also, the word which came to Jeremiah from the Lord, saying, Arise and go down to the potter's house, and I will cause thee to hear my words. And I will honor more.
Yeah, or see, sorry, on the and yes, be a fear no them baby or ten on the go back them say, say, young couple of so Casatrawa. So you feel dear, the opposite Casana.
Baby,
what do you call for purpose? What do you call be a tea or then a Sunday again? What you call your 40, let me go count in some. No, so true on who saw on your phone, you're not boss or Juma. Now, get on your phone, you know, say, not on your phone and 20. No, sorry, the football, a man clear, so on your phone and Sano Juma.
Okay.
Like, are you following what I'm saying?
Let me tell you,
what's that? You're not on your phone, let's hear now to see, you know. Yeah, or the yard, you know, say it.
Okay.
So, no, you be to the car, say it. So, no, you be to the bicycle, say it. Let me also, and someone, Casano or Casatreno, or the near be. I am found to home on you. Any was it? Okay. Okay, I didn't say so what? I didn't have a fan oil. What's the memory? And then the memory I cannot say. Are you for what I'm saying?
Let me happen.
It's okay, and who's saying? One on your father at the same that you know. Or the yard, you know, say,
okay.
And now on your phone side, next yard the football.
Okay.
No, the yard the football. A clear on your phone and Sano Juma.
Wow.
A clear on your phone and Sano Juma. Now on your phone, I did home. And then you go for say, so on your phone, but you near the sun at here. No one to answer. No one has said, I had the football. I'm an excellence on your phone and Sano Juma. Now the thing I go from, I didn't say, you go what say, and I be different. Open and China, mean to be following the footballer. Only the meaning of that.
That's yes, lawyer.
Oh, because a man who call for purpose. So you are it's for purpose. Are you still saying?
Yeah, lawyer.
But police station is for purpose. But the fact of the matter, I say, determination, no, any against Sacrano, yeah, you bet you with your Casano, and then the problem because the whole bar about the science. And this is young couple of and can be saying, unless a man who said the man is the channel, one no Roma, a hunty, you will not listen.
A hunty.
Are you following what I'm saying?
Lord, meet you, pa.
A hunty, no, I'll pay up for the buffalo. No more put into the term, no shot, yeah, and yeah, court to know what we did on our Casano. Oh, say, over to me. I had the first law court of her. Ya answer who be now what can't someone answer so. Only say Bible no ever declare say when them yanim some so and odi bebu yamfo. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Lawyer me too pa.
One ka say was one ka so any some so and odi bebu for. And to when you some ya on your phone and to Anthony. Or the Kena ya the football. And to me near all court no. Masa yen ko fani pa fufu ya machine bi ene wa ye ko manufacture football.
One ka so no masam.
Ko training bi a se ko training fufu bi. Onim na odi ko na nim no na pe ko.
Okay.
Do you who for? We who for? Do you work out your Christian in office and Yamin to be found your BBA? I'm telling you, hit my one found your BBA.
Okay.
Who be the Christian in now? When we are thinking, no visit here in Sia. Make out your face here in Sia.
Okay.
I didn't show to them what the course of the water. I didn't show to them. Stop now taking your son and walk on.
Hello, lawyer. Too bad. Tell her Rena for Yansanka lawyer. Anidaso Wɔhɔ will be a Jumedi that was so good. So 33 minutes after 8, lawyer Frank Kwabena Frifa Anna Yatin and Kano. Na I think somebody are working na so you'll be a Ukopimo quarter. Fear. Ebi awasam no kura wudi bem. Esa ehunti. Wakoko kan sembia eni kwan se woka. Anapa ni edi nkomo bi. Okogyeabour ofie ha. Mobofo so ofie ha no. Anapa ni edi nkomo bi. Nurse ni bi negligence nti obi ahwere ne nkwa. Enkomo anapa ye die. Abusuai ebo MAB International Hospital. MAB International Hospital. So boy, say esan nyama wanye ni yenti no. One this year efribo. Okogyeabour.
Yes man.
Yenti lawyer Frank Afrifa.
Yeah.
No waka fie ho asem. Waka fie ho asem. Aha. Na enkomo bia na no pa yedie.
Okay.
MAB International Hospital.
Yeah.
Abusuafo ofie hanom.
Okay.
Wasabarima Kwame asa tewia. Aye latte kubiase twafo hima. Hene
Trafo hene
ofie hanom. One this year and everybody.
Berima. Yes. Berima.
Aha. One this year na free mono.
Okay.
Na me hwe na fi me mo na kwaba.
That's right.
Na one boy amane de koso. Ana machi o.
Yeah.
Bibi aboko de. Nyame adom nso me ho yepa. Na aba wanim kakra nka be me de. Nana asemu ni fie. Meba. Lawyer. Lawyer Yankato line in the drop here. Me patrol, we are live on radio. Debbie. Lawyer, hello lawyer. Debbie. I think say Tilla Berenafi, ma Bibia I come out. Nana yesamo akwaba.
Yeah.
Bibia boko de.
I don't know answer.
Nana and then the course weeks ago and right now what we then the course.
Yo. And a pay me chair wait here for me now. And your course and say, Mrs. Penny, Uncle Bia him. Neba penny, none home fun. Inti or the call MAB International Hospital. Ewonya Micheal Junction. Na according to doctors, no was any moja ba film. Inti Obema ni moja. Inti wa admitted Wednesday. Na Wednesday no. Up to Friday no omani moja 3 na Friday na no pano according to my sister no ono ankasa wa hanti obechirichiri mu according to ono no doctor ne be share no obehwa abofra no so oni huye nti no enwumre mu kakra obeyi no wakofie nti no after that no nurse ni bi be peke ni so kwakotwa ne scan patient ne ka che ni so rinti mi nko because na one fan na doctor cross a moon see film and a nurse in so or the never kwa basisia nti or the net na hwiche mu and or the coin na ward no a ho nyina tiles but over outside na scan no so be pee outside and some wa kwakotwa we do outside na pavement block and no matter or nti abofra ne ti hwiche no ma would do outside no say worry corner we no shaky nti e man call off and we rushing in the call dying for room na what the oxygen see ni so na oxygen ni see ni so na nurse ni bi ba ho oba no be two oxygen no see patient nipa no wewu and also wewu then nipa no kra worry to oxygen no or sorry so wumu obi a wewu nso de orintimi sorry nso wumu nti onwui nti mo fa oxygen ni see ni so nurse ni say there bi wewu na ye onwa dwuma nti oyi me sister pu ya bonten oyi ni pu ya bonten less than 30 minutes ni hu ya ne say wode ne bana to wheel so anwa piano ade na besia kwa bonten compound ho no na ambulance bi si ho ene wode ne kotu mu wosi wewu na menje ndi say nurse nso timi declare obi say wewu nti asam no yanti ase me kra me kodu ho no me kotwe no na nipa ni we because na me sister Penny ba eye nurse na okan ye ho ene ye koyi nti okwohwe de pe no so onwui nti no ye kofre nurses for this yes wo my emergency one true emergency my ne fa nko 37 na se kolibu wo ka wo se nipa na wu awie ye kan ye pa won chew sa won ampene wo di nipa na wu awie nti me frɛ national ambulance 2 times me frɛ won bia na nurse na ka kire nipa ne se wa wu nti mo won ma nipa na wu dida nti mo won ma nti tama mani bre won so no na wo frɛ won ankasa won ambulance ma yen na ye di nipa na call 37 ye fi hospital wo be 12:57 and ye fi won ye could do 37 ye could do one was say abofra no we 30 minutes ani nti ye hu say ma abofo ne ye ndi ne yi kwan ya wode ya fa so no won ye ndi ne yi kra na mo nsa so ama ya hwere ye ba no because onye Obia no yare serious bia onye Obia no yare serious bia nti asema ayi woni
abofra wa fib ne maame wa hanom
me ba choyo
ye ne maame ndi nkomo okay maame mache obebe microphone afi ye di nkomo yie pa Dorothy ye oba
me ba cho ha me ba penia
oba penia no
me ba choyo
eden na di no kopie hospital honom
ba cho Wednesday no say na ni su chim no na me so ene o mayen ko already ni yakoye lab no mo say ni moja wo fom choka se na ni su chim no ntumi si fom no na me so ene o me yenko ti me na sister na so ni mu ne yede ne ko share mu ne yede ne ko mab hospital ti yedu yi no mo de ko share ward na mo so mbe ma ne moja but yedu ho no na ne ho me no wo fom ti o mo de oxygen si ni so ti oxygen ni si ni so a Wednesday na ti e kakra no eno mbe yiye eno mo de o mo anyimpo o mo de moja ne be ka ho eno mo de ma no nti moja ni nyina sign Wednesday na nwumre na copy midnight na moja 3 ni nyina sign nti Thursday no eno mbehwe no mu yi oxygen no otumi ho me fine otumi bibia fine ti the woman na doctor behwe no si o ne hu yi ti Friday na no pa no ena doctor behwe no ti obehwe no so we de hu yi pa nti na de bia meyi already na doctor bia ba wa ka kire nse onko ye scan na onhwe se adekode e ma ni moja no kofom no nti doctor na nkasa bisa nurse fo no se mo wo sa ade na ye de scan na ye de ba bed ne nche na
mboba scan no
eno mo se o mu nibi nti o ka so mu nibi no doctor ne ka che o se ende mamu ma ne si fom ena doctor no ko ye nti anopa no Friday no ye Thursday na doctor ne be kasa ti Friday na nopa na doctor na nkasa o hwe akola na be ba ho no so hu ye pa ti bia na de be yiwu ti wana nurse ni ba ko ba se obefa no na wakoye scan na ma no na mi so me de ontwe na me ma na aduan santi me ma na aduan wie no oba na me bisa na o se obefa no na akola na ka so me de bibi sheki me kakra bia na makoma wo na me te se ma bre ti me de anka me ntumi nko mu ntwen kakra na nurse ni so me do be kwa basisia nti bisa nurse ni se antines me hye na ataria na wo se da bi na wo de ne be kwa basisia ti me kasa na no kofa hwe di besi wo no se me ba ne metenem na me ba ne betenem ti afra ne betenem na o de ne kombisa se nurse mi ndi wachi osi o sign na me de ne beba sisi a ti odini pie no na e task so nti omo na ma kakra bi ti omo pie abonten no minim de esiye biom ombe ka chem se me ba na collapse
when be ka chem se ba na collapse
me baba ko odi achi
okay
ti obe ka chem se bibi ye Dorothy ti membra na me tu mirika ko ti me kwae no mo de na ko hyedan foforo bim ti me du won se na abofra na home ne siye no na home a ayese home ne ba ti me bisa nurse fo ne se na oxygen ne wen nipa no oda oxygen so ti se bibisa no oxygen ne wen no mo se e wo ward ti me ka chon se mo ko famra no mo ko fae no mo de bae
oxygen utu aka
me pa cho betu aka
okay
ti o mo ko fa oxygen no mo de bae ti o mo de bae no mo de be hye ne hwene ti o mo de hye ne hwene no na afede ahome no ayeye nti no ohome brebre kakra sa ti ade ne ye ti se sini bi atwa mu bi ya me hu ane se nurse ni bi awura ho oyi oxygen ti oyi no me ba no sorry no ba mo no nti nurse ni be bo abofra no so no san sorry nti sana na mesi ye no madam fa chene hwene sana na mesi ye no o si o madam ye adwuma ye be hwe oba na ma pie ti mi pie pe na meti so mo lock gate ne pa ti mi
na sini ne ka chiro se pia bonten
na ye o mo adwuma ti o mo be hwe no fine ama me
okay
na mo si mi pie ti mi pie abonten pe na mo tu do nim ti endi be say 15 minutes kura me so na ma frɛ me nua no mo ba endi be say 15 minutes kura na me hu so mo de ntoma no akata no so a o mo de ne twam akosi akɔhya ambulance bi a esi hom ti omo de no kotum e kwa na me nua no mu di wona mi sa omo de na koto ambulance ni mu nti omo nko ho ti omo kwae no na che se abofra ne da omo yi ne ntoma no na che se ya kyekere ne ti abɔ ne ha ene ya kyekere ne nsa abom ene ya kyekere ne mu nyina
omo de ne kwa ambulance no omo ka bibi kyerɛ
me pa cho man ka bibi a kyerɛ
ana omo de ne kwa ambulance no straight
omo de ne kwa ambulance
okay
ti omo de ne ko ba ya ansa na omo be frɛ mi
then omo ka kyerɛ omo ba
no ka kyerɛ me se me ba na film na me se David ene de minjin se me ba na film ti ehwa na me nua no mo ba ye no mo ko bie no mo hu kyekere no mo akyekye me sa na se ba ne se wawu kura enye sa time na se mo kyekere na at least mun gya no nto kakra ebia na okoko ma na bibisa na wasa babak no wi na mo akyekere ne dia me de mente ase na se na ade ne si ye hwim no na samba ko ewo mu ni se nurse ni na obefa no efi ward ho no oni me ba no condition nti oka kire me so de na ekwa basisi a sana nurse ni do recession se hwan ho no odu ho no na odane ne ma nurse ni foforo ba nurse ni na ode ne ma no so onim abofra no ho hwe nti eno ne so opia no but wa wonim no ho bibi no anka wonim se na obesi apia no brewo na ode na akọ abibia anko ha no but wo dane ne mo bi foforo na nipa ne piano nti kwan ya nurse fo ne doctors no
Kofi mesro fa
no
Kofi fa video no enda ye true one more eco hospital mesre na Kofi Taylor enfa video no to Facebook na fi one na wo hwe live na pay wo Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia jubadi yesu ehwe video no nti ba me to wasem ne so
nti kwanya doctors ne nurse for ne de ma
hospital
me pa cho you international hospital ho no omo de ma faso no me nti ase eno achi me koy se me koje me ba ne folder na ma hwem ai hu adekode ya e bae me koy a omo se omo hutumi fa maye na ye paperless na me sa phone so kra ye bibi wo wa ye tumi de no ma print amaye na de nti na de ne wo computer so a muntumi print na mo fa maye ma ka omo pese omo de be maye na me pa ye mfa nko ba bia ye pe bia na ye yenko na ye mbe afirim
asama omo ka kire wo no
asama omo ka ne
omo se mo pa mo mfa nko ba bia mo pe bia
na de omo ya maye bi omo aye nti ye yenko na ye mbe afirim papa ne ka kire ye koto ho no ye koto papa bi wo no se ono no ye omo BBC
administrator Mr. Osom
nti ofre ye nko danim no ne ye nko kasai ne ade no ka chen se ade chia ye mbra ne meje folder no ade chia ye koe no mekuma na koe nti okwa okwaji folder no wan fa folder na ama no or the cause of death and or the man. But I know so there now almost the beer my end that. Inti na nya no ne yehia ye kwa ne folder ene ye ko demand but o man fa folder na maye up to now o man fa folder na maye okay kwanya map international
ma mbusu wasem obi free mu a aye man death certificate o ma obi
me pa cho de bi o man maye death
o ma certificate bia
de bi o man maye bibi
enra ye ko hospital ho o mo say o ma death certificate o mo fa bibia ma mo
me pa cho de bi cause of death enom de maye.
Wow.
And no 37 for them must see embejim and sana ye bow.
Okay.
See a babeji.
Moko pie mo 37.
Bachi.
And then moko pie mo 37 hospital from MAB International Hospital to 37. E ba na say.
Me pacho ye hu say akola no. No hu ye. Ye ko hwe no me brothers no ko hwe no ambulance ni mu no. No hu ye. Nti na nani no. Aye say obi a muntum ache na opese obi nani. Nti na nani no kosoro na aba fam. Na me bra pani de ne nsato na koma. Otese akoma no ekwa na abọ gban ewa na abọ gban nti omo ko frɛ nurse ni no sanka on fa de kura nhye na so no metie mai o se once a doctor ka se wawu ne de wawu nti onye nti edo na ye ma ye ka kyerɛ mo se omo ma yen letter emergency eyi ne yemfa nkɔ baby fufure yemfa akola no nkɔ baby e na omo anya wesi enta ma be se 2.5 hours asa na omo de ma yen asa na ye de call 37
one the cast abo friend free mo our MAB hospital
ne de achase no nurse na ekaye nurse bi na ekaye na make us ade ne yet say film bi a ye twam say fi wawu
wow
amro 2 oxygen no wawu nti e kire kro mo de no to ambulance ni mu ansa na doctor de be frɛ me omo be frɛ me say doctor bi frɛ omo say member adan nim nti me wura adan nim no na me hu say bra bi gira ho no see ono no ye doctor na o ka kire me say me ba na film ne den na me so da bi eno de me ntumi nje ntumu sa ti sana na ye si ye na omo ma ye pie ti na ye ni nyina wo abofra no so nti ye gya wo ho ni ye ni nyina kodi abofra na o da ambulance ni emu.
Okay. From hospital honomo no 37 hospital aye kire sabo for na free no. From there no minim some 1 week any andra and am be na matu biem.
Me ye tu anamo ye call lawyer bi wo. See the asem ko dan no ye ko enso. O kire yen baby a ye de beko. Ye de ko ye na ni 3 days ye ko ho. Omo so ma kire yen say asem no ye meka ni nyina na ye ntwero engu paper so. Na ye fa nko baby na omo type na omo de seal bi be tare so. Na ye de ba kwa bre omo. Na omo hwe doctors so. Na ye de ba ko nso akọ baby a omo hwe nurses so. Ti ye fa nko ho no. Ne ehona almost almost started asem na fi.
Okay. Nti wo hwa nurses na wanye wandwuma yie ntina wo ba ne free mo. Sa na wo hu no.
Sana me hu ni.
Okay. Okogyeabour.
Yes man.
Enra yetu asem hu na mo. Na de ekosi ye no.
Okay.
I think sabusuafo ha. Ti wo so de esi ni bebo mo na afi.
Okay.
Ya to aso na afi ya fa course no so kakra.
Okay. Yes man me da say. Enkomo no said de nananom abo etiefo amane no. Enra me no mienu yetu anamoko MAB hospital ho.
Mesre ko fin video na nto so na fi.
Yes, na entrefo ya na call ye.
Ye fa video na nto so na fi. One hour share live on Facebook nso say enkomo ayedi no sabe anya bosire muka.
That's right.
Ye na yetu ho anamo.
Okay.
Na ye pese ye pasem no promise bre.
Okay.
Nti video no na da so no.
Okay. Enti nananom enra adwuma no amode maye no assignment no yetu anamoko ye.
But Okogyeabour onim asem no ne yempese ye betie efanko a.
That's right.
And nti ne yetu ho anamo
hospital.
Say on so ye betie almost side of the story.
So, nananom ye koduru ho no na no mienu abo apemu sima aduasanso was 2:37 p.m. and ye koduru hospital ho. Ye koye ne ye busai say one na ye penny or ye in charge. Nurses and receptionist e direct ye call Dr. Osom. I no ye hospital administrator. Ye call ho. Ye call ye no ye bo ye din bo baby ye free any the entire nam. Asamu a doctor no catch ya ne say ye mebusa mo say dia na mo hwehwe wasase so what do you want if you say asem ba ye no mako police station police for atumfo still no mo pese se mo pese mo de hospital ni din na ba form se mo pese mo gu omani mu ase enti ye meka nkyere mo say enya mo nko na mo busuani ye wo se de nana no mo ka mo kra so mo ka o mo asem mo no enya mo nko na mo busuafo wo nti wo de ne kawa hye ne nsa kire yen se ono so ne yire wu ne yire ko wo kolebu wankobo obi asobo nti ade nti na mo de mo busuani abewu wo ho na mo bo mo sobo enti de ye ya hwehwe firi wo mo ho asensem trofo no onya na adwen se wo de be ma yen enti no se mo mo ba bia mo de be kwa mo mfanko you can go ahead and do whatever that you want enti no ne amane a hospital na de maye ningna ne se wono na yire wo hospital wa ma obi asobo nti se mo so mu de awu a mo nka ma no ntum nti se mo pa mo mfa nko court mo penso a mo mfa nko ba bia mo pe bia na mo nko ka mo asem nti eno ne amane a eda ho no mo anopai ye de bo mo
okay nana bremo anamo ben na matu se na me di kan bisa ma me na anamo ben na matu
asam ne de lawyer na ye de be ma no ye de hospital no be court nurse no so ye be si uno esane se papa ne ka se ono ne yire wu a se bi otafracha mo ko mo hu papa ni age na so ono compare abaiwa 35 years o de ne yire se no no gina we compare abaiwa 35 years o makum na se ne yire wu nti se ne yire wu nti won afa kwan paso entry ti nipa na mistake aba no se ne yire wu
ba mo pese mo chesa nurse ne ku mo de she no
sa netene kire se nurse ni ntimi declare obi se wawu mi je se doctor ne declare patient se wawu na nupo doctor no wo kwan obefa so obeka no na sa abofra wo nurse ni wo se wawu obi a wawu o ye de na wutu oxygen no timi sorry so wu mimi ko nurse ni nankasa ka kire mi se abofra ni so ni mu mo no nurse ni be bo no so na obi a wo se wawu nti watu oxygen afi ne hwene den nti no no timi sorry so wu no be otimi be bo otimi ko bo no so it means one wakum no because wo oxygen so yetu aka nti den nti na wo mani nsi ne so ene esi ne so na obi ehu se wagya mu ase wagya mu owudi obi enim se obi abewu what you say obi enim se nye den ya obi abewu but nipa bebre we ya ma yehu se nipa bebre kra wu a enye wonwu ene wode ko eya na asefo na ekum won because eto de bi kra ko hospital the way wo be kasa the way wo be ye woni ama fa no eno kura timi kum nipa ne ntem eno timi kum nipa ne ntem so what you say ye bedu wo kura ye se nipa ne nwi ye ne ye de hye aba ye so nwi musi wawu mimi so nwi nti tro mame na me mfa no ko baabi o se da bi wo mpene den nti na wo mpene wo motive ne den nti na wo se wo mpene wo ntro mame mi se mame emergency na me mfa no kokolebu because do na kolebu se wawu aye me ba se ne meja atum wo se wo mame mi ankasa ma friend national ambulance na waka chele se mo ma
omo ka share national ambulance ma nemba
se ma nemba nurse ni ba ko bi o ka pa o se it has already expired me ko pa ne cho me pa ne cho madam me sira wo de ambulance no international ambulance no ka chele mi se wo ba no wo bedu ho na se ya ampa se nipa na wu a wo be charge me na machia ana mi se de wo beje bia machia nti wo de wombra nurse ni se mo ma na ehona nurse ni ne frame ko hye dem bi mu ka kire mi se won wo ye professionals nti wo ka asem a ense se ye ka se ye nje ntum esan se ye sa na ye rekire se woni mu won adwuma na ono a oye professional no we declare se nipa na wu a de nti na ye ka se ye nje ntum sa nti ye nje ntum na mi se nurse mi je wasem ni tum se wu se wo ye professional no di mi ndi won achi na mo mi se show emergency mame na me fa me ba no 37 ana kolebu na mo confirm mama mi se wawu na me hu an enansa no be frɛ one ambulance mame na ye di nipa no koy ye kodu a wosi wawu 30 minutes ni me wa no ma declare na no pa be 8 o'clock se wawu na ya kodu 37 1 no wosi wawu 30 minutes
37 ye ka chem se wawu 30 minutes ago wow
30 minutes ago na nipa na wu enti na nyina na ekum no na se hospital no ene nurse fo no wanye nwa adwuma yiye ena se bi otafrache se obi wu a say obi da hospital no wawu sesi a me ma yare akoda kolebuda kolebuda ho a obi timi wu wo nchen doctors ne be check no wawu a wode ntama kata ne so obesi wa kaka oba be pian akwa kosi nchen baabi obesi wa kopem bia na dwo ansan wa be fa na ko na we di nipa na wu less than 15 minutes na mo na mo se wawu na mo chichire nipa no ye di bibia yi na fi hospital ni inside e di na besi outside didn't necessarily banisa. Na che say na mo ne kwan so. E na mo ne kwan so. At least nipa na wu a the man da okra be 1 hour bi kra na hwe say e bi okoi na obese ba because minim nipa bi a doctor say declare won so nwa wu. Wo de won akɔhye much dem do akɔto cold room but wotimi nyane. Na wo de nipa ni wu ya wo na wo se wa wu. O wu ya na less than 15 minutes no. Wa chichire ne nsa, a chichire ne ti, a chichire ne nan. Nipa no so onya accident here. Wa chichire ne mu nyinara. E de na kota ambulance mu ambulance na ahwehwe nyina makeka sisi awie mu so ambulance ni si manipa ne hit pa nti ye kwa na ye ko biebie ambulance na ahwehwe ni nyina ye ko biebie ni ye bie de ona no to wo ni ye ko sane ade na wode aboniti ni nyina ye ko sane fi wo no ni ye frem nipa no me koy na ni sheki na ni left one no yese e brinke nti me ba nurse ona me so nurse se da me hu ade no wo de mo ma ye emergency keke ni ye mfa nko wo se wo mpene use wo mpene enti me de hospital ne de nya de wo ho beche wo na mabo hospital no ade siwie ya ansa na nkofo frɛ na woreka wo bo hospital ni di mpe wo say se ho na mode ne koye ni mu anka ye beka che mamon fa ne nko area mu afo kra nko hospital
o de no de ye fancy wo ye fancy wo na Okogyeabour
it's man
asa also ye can't negligence of some of the health workers e wo Ghana hanom obi wo hono ma se na naka no ebia ka nurse ni etne na ni hwe ni mpo kakra nka nipa ne benya nkwa wo se won de hye no tuo mo no omo gitum se na won de hye ni mfiri mu.
That's right.
Mo de na to ambulance mu from 8 a.m. to midday omo ko pie mu 37
1 p.m.
and
sana doctor e wo 37 e confirm say we 30 minutes ago international say e fitting anopa 8 9 ekopem be 12:30 ni na onwuye but me pesa nana no mo confirm ade bi mayen bamche wo ambulance na wo mo chechire mo de hia no de ne koto mo keka hwehwe ni se ene no eye ambulance ana ye movie dia kwa na say ambulance asesi ho
me pacha na esi ho
ambulance ni say isi ho
movie time cry can say wo my ambulance awode wo free ambulance for because time me rural hospital one na hospital na ambulance repair bonten nti me bi say no wo say obi kotwa x-ray nti ambulance ne de na rekọ akwa kotwa x-ray no enso na sa asem wo yasio
okay
and wo ja wo ko nti time me mani brain no ansa na nurse ni no free ambulance driver no and ambulance driver ne ka chen say we du abeka junction nti yan twen no reba nti obae no ansa na wo be yi no fee obeyi me ba ni fee ambulance na si woni and what ne beto ba kunum na wo de ye quarter 7
enti na kire say wo mo yi ni free edan na wo mo pronounce say wo no enya ambulance bia ye rush ne de na ko be to say for referral na mo ambulance ya package driver and team
dabi driver and team
mo ra car no na oxygen wo ambulance na package
oxygen nim ya de ne rekọ no kra na wo yi ni tu mu no kra ya de ne ko no oxygen nim
Anna Mwankasa through your own effort, my friend national ambulance twice. I'm a nurse in a catcher. Woman say,
professionals.
Well, we professionals. Wow.
Okogyeabour,
Hitman.
Asemwe yentini tia ye.
That's right.
Ye be koswe to ho anamo.
That's right.
But no pay mesa matie fabrem.
Okay.
And sama nana. And I say, 1 hour this year free mono. Aba bekan. Once we adwenche. If a course no me say, ye breti.
Okay.
But asem we de anybody actually.
That's right.
Na fi ya pasem no. Pumesebre. Ye fa course no me say na fi ye wrap it up and pay 059340 6565 0534 050 199 106.9. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho we din be akasa free. Me pacho me ho ye pa.
Yeah, asama work here I ro sempa. When you need time, we should say kasi ho. Na se mo fra ko di egoro wo mu na ka to ma. Mo fra ni timi o shu timi kubo. Ni ma yi na si baby, na mo na de se furu mu. Na furu mu mo pese mu kumu no wa na. Asama papa no ka se asawo ni tintin ya. Wonya ya tidin. Asawo ya kwapin fu nyina ya na asama. Ya den pene kura ya no be di tu no na hona mani.
Mate, Mesme that's a password to me. 059340 6565 0534 050199. Anidaso Wɔhɔ and Anna pay send you some no corner. Mab International Hospital. The Abano. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wudini baby akasa free.
Pacho Roberto Agape.
Maminti wa no pay.
Me mama no yako. Yamanji chomare. Na nurse for no dey. Me say last me ku yare. Hospital me mbodi. Na me ku anka seti nyabo modi akọ no afese e fa ne card me. Wa funa se almost 3 hours. No mo hwe me ku. Oni kwansu da bench so bre. And that's the funny doctors for do how much papa no mo dey ehuna.
Okay.
Ya ku me chemo kama.
Dabi untu bin kasa will show you so. Why? Mr. Right, thank you so much for calling in. A very final call, Anafi Okogyeabour Ocran wrap you up. Send me can kayano. Asem no. Oko ye ntini tia.
Ye ntenase. Empenisi aboa no would need to gem na untru ya utiri mo ntene. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho me ho ya pa ya fro saying.
Pacho me de men no me kasa free is legal.
Maminti wa no pay.
No pay de ebusianfo ya ma me rap. Na ni nyina ne se emra wo ekuro yi mu no enye adwuma se emra ne ye adwuma report ya Okogyeabour de bayi ensem na kasian kasa wo mu obo ne tofa akasian kasa de si wo ho no pasamaze na ode amayen omunim se yentumi nya ne hwe ukokolibu a me faage obi a wawo kaneshi wo se ochimoya for 3 hours omuhu se wabre no ne yede ne to taxi na taxi ne de ne koi kolebu.
Okay.
Asemwa nurse ni kan che ne say sister me ja ho edi am yam hyehyeme. So wo say me ko adwuma. Could you believe we say girl na wo awie o ma be frɛ girl no ma me say o me sen ko hwe ne nana na no wu. O ba to mo ko kire ne be ma. Girl ni ye bia so mo ma ne ko hwe ne ba no. Oma na nkɔhwɛ no because girl no wɔkɔkora do office ka no ni bi nti the doctors ne nurses ne yɛ no mo memfa yɛ nansi form na wanhwɛ a one day obi o wa to ne de hie sɛ ya ɔmfa nkɔ ba bia o ɔno nkasa de mra no bɛhyɛ ne nsɛm da ase
mate mesme da ase pa Okogyeabour yɛkɔ
Hitman yɛkɔ na ɛyɛ me de sɛ abusuafoɔ no asigyina yɛ sɛ wɔn mo de asɛm no bɛkɔ court because radio there we cannot preempt the judgment. Yanka say be ko benkum ananifa.
Kofi Taylor say very final call away na fe you wrap up. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning sir.
Me pacho wudi ni baby akasa free.
Ya fa no for Eric ko ma me free kwashima.
Ma minti wa do pay.
Yo. Aba so asam na ya hosam ye omonchi chiro mo hwe. Na mo no ye be shredders is me doctor. Ye bi obi ba omonchi mo ni no mo hwe nipa ni yi. E ma no because nipa nkwa ho hia sin bibia. Na ya na your private hospitals you be nkofo kwa sometimes almost treating nipa no too much we do one now be can operate especially nurses no they should know what they should do if you say yeah almost from away second me promote they wo kwashima na connection we why ni nyekura network ni nyanti yes ma mu ye
yeah reception now
reception is very bad.
Okay, Mate. Mate. Empenifo ti ana penti e behwe ne atu ho na mo. Why?
Yesu me da nya me nhira mo.
Nyankopon ka wo so ho. Okogyeabour ye ko.
Enti 8 man dey na make an say nananom abo amane na omo sigina say omo court no. I think say that is the right way. Na ye ko a wo a ye bon ko adu no. Why ya no with the evidence at hand and say a nurse ne pronounce the patient dead and I say a doctor.
Okay.
And at what point Anna Moka as well? Anna at what point Anna doctors at 37 so confirm me say why they well enti I think say nananum to sana mono ne kwan so ano no because court Anna will to me say saa die we no etuo betwa na say bekoso aka abekoso ayde akoso
mate nananum ya besa da masesem aba na fe mode asem no aba beda yen senior medical kind no asem we no yenti ni ti a Anidaso Obia team no yentena se ye behwe na afi ya pasem no pomase bre mo konso Nyankopɔn ka mo ho na afi won fa mo konko dua so due mo ye da se pasem mo ba ye. Well, thank you so much for being part of the show. A very good act of being a good guest. Just to know when to say goodbye. I said, I can say, I'm a lieutenant. Okogyeabour Ocran. Production team, Kofi Taylor, producer show, DJ Mario. I'm from a Hitman. Good morning, and enjoy the rest of our programs.